Anopensam na doso ne etoja omubi ya obetini adom kase ye bo aprahwe bypass no a wo ye wasimfosuo no contractor ja to hono mokora mfiensie ne yenkohwe ye de honsam ne nchiremu ebebro na fe yakọ ye ensamfoforo emu a edo so editie ebi ene se ye bekọ akohwe efutuo ne kokobo ekode ama emayo no se wo mu hwe ho ye obu onsa won fan no emeye twiapia nkase mabume sentimi nko school ese school ne de won mokọ no ne sembi na no pay me de bro sa Adom TV Badwam kase ukọ YouTuber Adom TV tube no ye ho kase ni twago ye go TV na won so a channel no ye 119 na DSTV channel no ye 280 medin e de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mutie se de nsem ni kiremu ete ankasa asimfosu bypass no 2017 mu no so for wo hwe ya kwantempon so kwasi amo akwata ekopa ho ntoma ode to contractor nanim sabosumi nsia de no wawie na yaye na yenim sebia na eye 6 years ene yete yi 6 months de ya fi 6 months ni se ye wo mfie nsia ni enya de se wo ma wie gata kora no nkosi hwe nti ama ne boni bo aproko ho ye wahunu ni de asase de ha ono moye no omoye ne san komoye ba machine on kase na omde start kwan ne de machine de ambo mu etru kwan na kase de ha no mo shase no ha no omoye na minim se na nka mbeye ba machine ambo mu machine du nsu na no de bia nsu kase ni nyina afa na stop it no ma san ba no ma beto aso still na stop it ebi wa ya na edum gigigigi na ejina na machine ato from sa no mo ye ya na afi do me sa machines ni adeko medan de na ye dankra anan na mesi ba na ma bobi hu plasta na mo obi nti na megusu asa meye nti improve ma obeka chense wa be ogu ba dakropa ye hu ane se mo a sha se yenyi yi nneoma anokwa se yen krofo ma ntam ha nka me be kura mfa me nneoma engu me di amerika na me di yi ahometewa nti ne se bia wa ye ne sa na nka ni mani mpo won abeye ni ye mpo ama ye ne ye ha ye ho ato ye so ya hwe ni ma netia neti gota bia won aye si mani ha sinso na na masuro ni nyina fa me ha obi ahwe nsufia ha na efa me sraban so hu ye mabo na ma ye gwata no wo ye ni ma ye
ne nyina emu no asimfosu MC uru anukula fishu ba konchire se ewum se contractor ne hye bosum nsia de ne nso esan se adwuma no wanye ne ntentem te se de wo penu ntino ama wode akoda mpenifu a waje adwuma na afiri nsem ama contractor foforo enche kura oba be hye adwuma na se
enche bia no e wa reshim se anamo minister no etu no ehun be ba mfa so mo masa ba no ma behwe bypass no amaye de etien se akwan ye no contractor no ye man mobilization obehye adwuma ne se na se du ba bi no ye adwuma ko du ba bi a na wa raise certificate ni etua no na ye nyina enim ohawa aman na kum kakra ti ama contractor secretary na akwa echi kakra ti de de man no na fi wo delay na enyema pi ba echi ti fortunately for us ye tu ho anamo na minister na ba inspection of the N8 no if you the contractor by the oye chu praso bridge no China for no say omra no mbeye mai because minister na so sa project we net
minim so mo nko ofo Mayentoa Kasiano so na programs director da Women and Development Project wonder won kwanta South Mansini mo woti mantem mo Iris Coffee na wodeto emawa ya wo mu bu onsa na wode adane ayie na me yare mi nko school no da bi eni kwanse nsebuo si usuku anokwan Adom TV kase eto so
period enye ade e wo se ye de ferry my period is not my shame. It's a was omo bra class na omo besua de e na wo fon so yes seremo omo emanya omo period a mo nto mo modern to sanitary pads emma omo I be mo ye comfortable because ebi mo no omo ma school ubi sa reason say omo ni sanitary pad omo sure say omo use rag method na ebia no mo stay ni omo ho no mo ye embarrassed into no mo peso omo ba classroom.
Headmistress of Wokechebi RC Basic School and ya chichiku abo dwumakuo na baso so ababe boa wonum na waka to aso se emayewa ni bebri wo honom a wobu wonsa esan se wonya sika ento sanitary pads ntino ema wonum emme school emisua de ya de nsunsan so bone aba abegyae wɔnom adesua so.
Marry your books and born success. Enti nyane what the change a movement for change mudia back a chebi RC basic school RC and then MA no. Yes see ya krom.
Adesuafo bi ene amane boni etwetwe nkomo.
Sanitary pass no ne boy etim. Maybe I'll be cost so cotona 12 cities, 15 cities, and 20 cities. Yeah, village as the ham so. Sikasamia de Maya.
Na pad buono embrafo. Say science mean to pad no and Maya fan den banti. Uma pad bomba umbrafo na yentiminto.
Also for was trade and industry so Katie Hammond now what they to exporters and him said you be be a wombe to me aboa na yen so we ase adwama so ye ne won mo ebegina pe no won hwe na wonye asoye no so won famu de bi a won be ye de aboa won so won ma ye krado eye.
Subject for today's discussion provides us the platform on which to reflect and measure the export capacity and potential of the country. It's also the occasion for us to reflect on the our ability to compete at the global level.
Osan editodwa se aban no ede nhihye ahodo egu akwam a wode beboa omanfo ewo womo enwuma womo ebebiebie ene exporters no mo nso etimi akọ nanim.
In the next couple of months, my ministry would outdoor a newly fashioned business and regulatory reforms which are aimed at improving the overall ease of doing business in the country. An online business regulatory reform platform has been created to allow businesses and government to interactively engage in real time to address challenges, thereby saving time and resources. The platform includes a portal with depository of business regulations, legislative instruments, procedures, forms, and related documents. It has been designed to bring simplicity and enhance efficiency, providing a one-stop shop for businesses to access the regulations that affect them.
Amanyoko awodo edidi sway NDC, CPP, APC, LPG, ne GCPP aka won ho abomo asaman electoral commission no ewo court asem ni nyina gina se limited voter registration exercise no a ose je se wo mo district office nko na ebetumi aye no party sama bomu no esusu se nya no kwan so no ekoba sa no a na ebinum a won maso mfie wo so wo mo register wo mu nya ho kwan nti eso wo biemu Adom TV kase etwaso.
Ababetodwa se National Democratic Congress NDC Amanyoko Convention People's Party PPP CPP APC LPG GCPP aka won ho abom akruchi egunkrata so de akoma eye Supreme Court se onhwe na wonsi Electoral Commission ekwan e won hihye ya wode gu akwama enche bia no wode limited voter registration exercise ebe hihye so Amanyoko yi de court say womo NC Electoral Commission kwan esan say wo si omanfo ekwan e wo sa registration mu a womo ehuni say eye kwan papa so ababetodwa say court ni nso amankrata ama womo de akoma Electoral Commission de fa ensema omanfo akruchi de egu nkrata so abema court.
Make say artisans and as a one one can say ye wonyuma best 300 our green belt space and Watermalite industrial area one morning assembly no and to me who be koso Waterma Metropolitan Assembly ni nyina ne sesa green belt space ho no omo anya ne ntie sempanifo aton ho so omo atena wo fie bebre ni wo mo nte wo ho ase Adom kase etwaso
Moja task o lottery. Moja task o betting. Ubusa say, some we need bet now. What task? Now we know also we need bet. What now we lose bet now. He chairman. Ubusa say we lose bet. He no chairman.
Na me pa mo chawo ma wa aha no won keep ya nya adwuma no wa Hawaii. Se mo sin sanu adwuma. Iti yesremo. Se na ba ya daachi ya ma no won kwa ya pro no na won kwa niama enya na fata yesremo tu wo mo twa bi ma ye
Diabo, Charles or Diabo, you are in Santa Sayer, the slow, we are mobile. Meanwhile, we are mobile. Yenny baby, Yadiko. Yenny baby out to say, I am Franco, Una, who share no one be my name. Yes, so Nino, Charles or Diabo, yes, slow. Amanibo Echiremu se, and Crata, Manfo Ekura. Ya wonum edebo ho safo hene se wonum ewo tumi krata ma won kwan se woye wadwuma ewo honom no enye tumi krata mensini no enede ma wonum na suni nyina mu no mensini no esinkete se fia daduru na se wonum eguso te honom de a obekwa akopam wonum afiri ho.
Ashanti Regional Security Council RESEC pani ya wodi wanim mantam ni mo for Simon Osai Mensa Abwapra call Goldstone Akokele Limited and afe Anglo Gold Ashanti Obuasi Mine akwakwohwe enne said de galamse no asay enwuma ewo ho adom kase edebe
Asante Mantamu for Simon Osai Mensa and Asante Regional Security Council ekobon toa ewo Anglo Gold Ashanti Obuasi Mine for asue honomu echire no and awode to Yamani Boni Ezeke no menyo animu say enya de sa ban ebetena se ayenhwe han amamanfo fakwati kwan so tu fom agudie egu adwumaku ahodo a wonom enamra kwan so etu fom agudie a wonam wandwuma so eboa oman sikasem
wo hwe large scale mining companies ne wa hana it's a problem with illegal miners and they come galamsey for a threat to the basic survival of the mine a free mreno e komreno Ibitua na ammonia company numu. Near no makohe physical, he said, ye jina kodo, wamu piti anuhai. Near nya babi, near ma a how no be a dear near day. Ashe. Enti ya dear, ya decided, say, ye bet was why. Ebian Kibinya cra and Kabusumi, Miansana, Busumi, Nabia, near Koya Bako.
Bayento Adom TV Badwam kase no so na yen concern for fro emu ohene ya wo sahwi esam awobia West Mensimo wo Western North Mantamu na ode to bambofo nyina nim se Ghana ne Ivory Coast hye no so ndie wo munyire bambo mu ho pa na nkofo twukoko ne fam wo hododo na nansamo ne Adom TV edi nkomo yi
ready no no ma fa kuntrance ya de abesina akọ France akoton me pese o man ti asese enye yen nananom a ye wo boda nkronkra ene o man ni dihie no ene ye sa smoke no nipa bonfo bi a mintimi nkyere ba bi ho firi
wonam sa nsemi so e de adesede eto abambafo anim se o mumma wonini enko ahye ahodo so
mama ni abren se o man no ya fa bambafo a ye de eskatu omuka omo kwan so usu be hu na obeten huhu om di kokko no gu ase ne afa sabio nana ngokọ ajanan aye nkokobri ye de kata so om di abesene ko nana ahomte e hayen be be sa ban ni kokko bote se e ha me samhine ma complainer ma nana kosi bu wankoma e ha no so di yesra om ntu ho anamo man na sa anye sa ye ya gidin boni anye sahwi fo na ye enye nananom a oboda ha ne amanfo ne ye
Ayento so na water engineer wono aso ye the technical director de Matovilla Water Solution ora Tony Lawa wade to Ghana fo nyina nim efin ya yetutugu ensuo mu na obi kura sabi ade enchen ne janai wade afa ensuo kwa so nom ne ade bewura de ensuo no mu no nyamie no mu ni enya ade ye ne kwa so nti e wo so wona ye sa no woncho ho enfiri mu efise koba ne sasa ensuo kro no na Ghana waterfall so de ebreye ne ya make say Tovilla Water System for one aye nhyiamudie bi dwene kwan a wombefa so na yabo yensuo ho eban titi wo nkronkoma mu ne ade e no de sansemi etuja
ni abre e wo communities mu a omo ni nsuo ne say ya ye ejuma as water treatment engineering company for about 25 years. Na yen to me yes ejuma we engis kan gu yebutumu de bia anti ye feel say e appropriate say ye behwe yaboa communities a omo lack nsuo e wo mu communities mu ukọ weja a ebe okru akra ha say ya obekọ no na nkrofo aconnect omo nsuo fin efi bathrooms toilets sabi safrache omo nsuo efi omo toilet mu omo tumi ejai e mani rura den su ni mu enti no omu jai saa suban no emboa ye nyina.
Edward Afum Osan eye headmaster ewo Methodist Basic 1 School na wachire mu se kromafo nankasa na etu sutade bi wo krom ho no ma wasemu ede bi di dwuma ewo fie nanso sansoi wone emoa enenum mu ne senti adwumakuo yi etumi betu nsuo yi ema wono mu a ebeboa wonom ewa akwaniasa ahuduo bebre so.
Community no the only source of water omo use eye dam bia dag ache for so many years until no ne nsuo I serve community no. Though there are pipelines, once a while, a year or 6 months, now ensue abem once. But for now, the ensue and macro, and no dam, no, that dark dam, no, community, no, a use. A more no movie, and microphone so the tanker ecosisa eba a microphone, and no now more day a year, a tongue, and a ma and mofrano be brave a yare. Assurance no mama no se ba so ebeboa ye san say ensio a major problem ewo community no ene the village
ya womo ewo betom brono bi wo Kofodua New Jabe South mensimu ewo poyamantemu sempanifo nyi wani mehwe ajanan bi adane wo fidie na fe ne tebia no krampo nso no mpanifo anya hwe yi a ne betom yare ebetie si ho no eswani ensa okakire kan firi ho tese nkoyi Adom kase etwaso
wa memi hunu enye nne problem ewo ho eye toilet no sabi ne di kan eso nya kra the santos owo metwe yetu beto mu a bebre ba eso no nye
asepa de di kan kra wa ha kra de etre ba toilet so wo fa ho no kra wo nya kwan etre ba so sa ye toilet de asenti so yesra mamu bi o meboy enye kra Oma sisa ne magugum polythene bag on edi abo ewurewuram nti omo betwe toilet na enko.
Assemblyman na owo mpotemu ho no mo Edward Ejeyi Oware editu just say tibia jana bia ni wo mu no ensem fata semanfo ebekọ so nanso esan se woni fufuro bia ka ho nti eno aso ena bibia wokọ ne senti wodi agisrede atomanfo ene akuakua huduo nyina enim se omeboa wonom
akwanya wo ho se ebugu ene yia ene ye ne sa na ye yanka mayededa ba no krense bibia e process e ya bandia sebe enye community no e dia say ye property there bi e ya ban property if anything also was seeking from the municipal and am dia koto me MC anim any drawings ya proposal ya dia koma MC so me atiase ye so pa ye chew ono so ye obi adwuma nti twase ohwem na sebe e kire wo ja na echi to ho a obi ameka se MC saa de we kro ye de wanye ne ye waye ni se we ni se
Yenyina no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na no pe ya hana edidie mu medisi medi afia amankwa tamaklu de du so no ye kwa bana ya shede obonkrata na fe online stories no akudie mu nsam ewo ho apomodin komo na fe ahosepe ye kwa ba enchekura ne atoso kano ena ye de ebro incoming 2064 Bismarck akwasisi enchina na so hapa be me na me ma wache
afia me so ho ye de
na bia boko
ye de nyame aso bia ho ye na de pa achi ye de yakopon ye di ni ye enen so ye fiada ye wie na otwe frodani ese be call the second week of September 2023 HSA encha fi ekugu anu ye ntutu ye ne mayi ne famwie afe no so ho ye de nyame asasante manfofo nyina so machia mo echiamo pa nyame nhira asante mampon na yenkoso mfa yentuma pa emfra yenkoso nyagidie ene arehemu se mampon be yeye asante mampon be gina ne naso because yakonya is second in command to the golden stool there I will say yempuntu a second to location of the golden stool send you kumasitie no or see nyana so best 70% to asante mampon enyuma bebuso eni daso mampon to be a free mampon be nya rehemu na otoso se asante mampon the next few years and months to come ura mampon ni ankyerɛ se wabusua fie ni a diso obisa afia so ho yese bia hye
how many times na person obisa
ni padie ade chi ade sen bibia si uhye onua bisa so ho
ye wabisa maka na so all rat wie ye no asa ko sa opuma no asemati 2064 na opesa mensensi swana. Incoming. Ai. Enti nyame ya do bebem. Nyame aka eno na bebem. Ye de rodi ase bebi odi ya bedre. Na kwasi ya na omayi mu ade bi koso a.
Okay.
On se bia land bi wo ho.
Yeah.
Ne bia de tonfo ne akọ ya yakọ ya ade wo ho.
Yeah.
Obi anka hwe na afia abe sini dwa wo ho. Kwasi de ne dia beka ho, obe de ne dia beka ho, we de ne dia beka ho saa na grow na ye kese. Ni wa nye dia assembly wo ho. Unim say aha no da bia e ba be yusu. Na me bi so ade na asase na no ya yen stop here. Ni ya betwe amu ya tena ho for 30 years. Afi na oba betu ye. Na afi abeye se ni anu aduane aboye na mo yesa amu anya de na nti sa na ede. Ade na yentimi ade na ye na anyi eho na ye wo se ye efu ye nyi efu ye twen ama ye bedi hini na ye te se ye betu ye no ase ye nhuni pamobo ahokyere brem ni ye ba betu ade na te sa.
If yes, I net here because of amanyosem. Number 1, 2. There were more traders in Ghana. You see, just and yet said the Caribbean spillover. But for us, if it's making an answer, I say I had the Simani pant and to Andian. You intimate Cassasem. Because Oko King near your phone back Gagi on your phone, you say, Mude Moon to ye about to dra, obey.
America say
enti MC ne die
no sabe ya yente sa asem we ye betweti e bet asase na wo ba ko mienu miensa ebobo yen nyu mfiri wo pre omunye atomic kwan shi de ba atomic runabout odo ma ya de mu yi wo mu de NHIS for office
office
but still
oh yes
ebi mo sa ba be gina ho
kwa benya yi si wonum no oh yes
but still bi mu da so tonton wo ho
yes
iti ada na
enye si ehun ye o
en sa na nse se no mo move efi bebi etu o mo na o mo ko asoro ho akọ police station no ebejwa so say me wa ye wo kwabenya market wo ho
yes
oh ade no asase na ne ye na e ka ho because edwa ni nyina ko kwabenya market ho no mu a there's no way ye ba be gina kwan no ho ato ukọ ho no so a
space
set no etisi ho
ya na dwanefo no monte sadua se ye kodwanu amanfo emba amanfo emma because omo options so du kwan no ho a no beto dwam no benya bi but obe no du kwan na wanya bi a
obekọ inside
ndi amanfo tu card ko mos ne ade because ne wo pane bi ni nkwanche bi wo nkwanche ngo to asan na chi
ya baby ehye bi obekọ
that is it se mo nyina mo gitum se ye nyina e kodwanu se dwan wo ha se nkranfo di Jones awam na ho na dwane nyina wo a ye nyina betu ka ba ho because any option ad ne e pato
sa muhia
ti wo nyina nso mo ntiase na mo moving from kodwanim ali se dwan kakra bi kwa ba bi kakra bi na benya de atena be se edwade afie nya wuram se kim ubenya kakra be bafie edwa
wo sa asase na mpanimfo no mo mienye
ye so fie fantu etim na se ne esi atinsa wam enkra kumase kwan a tipa traba akotefa so be kun edwadefo menyini so se ye trans na ye twense hwe
oso mo ye kwan nti gana ba kwan ni mu nti nipa ne cars na edotonfo
mo ye risk ne kwakopa free mo nti se ye kwakokun ye hoja ye manketwa wa akire ye kodwanim edwana mpanifo asidi ama no ene be sra assemblies no so no se mo yi omo nso a ye make sure se alternative because nipa ne ba na so wanya ba bia antena esan so nso ntimi nkoda komunti no ode anibere ba begina kwan no see a Tommy and Crama no be coffee. Yes, but the alternatives and for more. So alternatives and so ba. Sahana be kakrem na benya. Jigoka crane crack, but to orbit me a cotosto. So, yenya quanchanity, because can't have coach ribano.
Yanti make me online. See, my answer say wadumonline.com. About 2 jail 20 years after threatening woman with cutlass snatching mobile phone. Be sure so be a 10 years, 10 years. Bomba be being trained, mobile phone free and some. To come who read you quechira, who may be a chrono anymore and some tea. And no. And some for from so court revokes Prince Tego's bench warrant after he pays 71,000 Ghana cedi. And also so unim
oh yeah.
as I'm going to you any.
Oh, say a yard for front, and say, so it's me a call if you are the next.
Ya ban hwehwe ni bi mo wie ho ade pam so ene efia da enti kwasia da ye nyina ye ntena ho sa de oto afidie hui na week 5 no de next so wani so ka kire casual wear papa bi a wo mu design ye no this year no tough o enti mesro region so ho enti se de afofuo dimu ne asante dimu ne framantam dimu no ne ade no region ti wo rep or represent or region no a ka kire no onyire no design so no o mad ye fit ye fe nti na me yadoma Sunday 4 pm ofidie no se de da hasisi na da ho na wo hye na o region rep wo mu de o man fans no awo boa no e ma wo no so tumi e we nti ho osam so enie bugiri na abu part seni
we part 2 and e show video no
and e show video
no
okay nti another okay nti so when a leak tape scandal police suspends interdiction of 3 officers. And Robert time bene by say
about 10 more. Wait, first one about interdiction ya no pano. But and now no pay and update aba. Say please for some suspend the interdiction.
They say omda so ye police for.
Omda so ye please. Omso mpese parliament wie omo adwuma amo eye.
Ansana. Omo ya at fault ah. Na ne
raise questions bebre. Even the suspension of the interdiction.
If you
raise questions.
Na me say nti Nti before we interdict no. Why ready o ho no nyina na ne wasa
Joja go for dampare.
Hey, bambo security. Nti yes ho asem do so. Nti when an American another leaked video the Bugri Nabu talks about 10,000
Ghana city
police monthly contract.
And the contracts at their day boots. Me see videos no afia and you be show videos we nye tape. We video what no Bugri Nabu anim. So no emu kasa. E bi so your phone record be no dey twentwon for authentication.
Asade is very risky pass. Say am wudi nkomo phone so kra. You don't have to trust anybody.
Oh yes, Ti gon say wudi anu ayu yemodi. O mo pen wo se me dey se me wudi nkomo na record ni ye. Ko nipa na meka no asem ofrem ya meka times 10. Of the record ya ko chire.
I say nipa yes.
No yes.
Asama bi anke be kra no kakra.
Daily Guide. Join us. NDC invite Alan.
That is one gas we free MPP.
And Tom say join us. Say party the dump.
So free MPP mo.
E dey be afia.
So as one call presidential race ni mo no nkyere say we free MPP.
Dey be mfa we omo yi ne free mu. Omo na yi.
Ti na say dey ko say Mahama be fa no running mate na.
Eno nye possible. Omo nya say. Omo nya say. Eno nye possible.
Na nka NDC be pre.
Enye possible. Enye possible.
Ah boy.
Maybe.
If you offer na
NDC for na to on say their friend say join us. Because some of the qualities of John Allan Kodjo Matin. So the same qualities no eba NDC mua. Ebe boa omo party no. And this one say we must also on free NPP mu de. But sebi ye you baby a.
No be any ni baby a.
Okay.
So be any ni baby a. Eye na adwen na wa be kire. Say presidential no want me enkobi yanti hwi biem afemo so ne ha de keka
eso no bi e kan sem de wo se tina de bi e kan say if you communication
ehia
communication
communicate de wo kan
yes se ukasa
esa munya ma onye na ho
tokro you leave people to feel it for you enti that caveat to be share was say in the near future I will announce my political stage you know eye tokro kese se so bia wo ne o sade agum ebi de abo ebi de anwea ebi de sawdust eso no bia peso de agum de fele sane bia sa tokro abc this for so mo frɛ Alan Chrebate Ghana qualify for AFCON
who say chia
ti ere ya me say IGP fire COP Mensa 2 others ya suspend sa adeway limited voter registration NDC sues EC Mahama accuses NPP of corruption. Daily Guide. The Chronicle.
Boy 21 allegedly severs head of nephew in Ada. Court to rule on mosquitoes bail application. CSO's loud operation of cylinder recirculation model. The Chronicle. The Finder. Women, children voices sideline in climate actions is a fatal error. Second Lady, Her Excellency, Mrs. Samira Baumia. And I can't say. Newborn holders receive 2.3 billion Ghana cedis as coupon. NDC 4 other political parties sue Yesi. The Finder. The Inquisitor. Food supplies to SHS. How Nanado was disobeyed. Comes to the picture of Dr. Yawose Educhum, Hanan Abdul Wahab, and President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Slay King.
Food and cray, Adrian is a serious.
Oh, yes. Yes.
So, baby, no, you can't. But to me, drew a point to be not omunity.
Yes.
Wow. Hey, serious. I'm almost free parents. One Mount Banadiania. Hey, Debbie. And what other penny movie pana? What can I? Now, something median won't know. You can't, but
so Boka better say a man from pay free such as I said. Okano mekano.
Wow.
So a moon pay from free such as an egu. There will be no chief for us and Pacodo. But the challenge now, Abano, and nodding. It is not just about it's a uniform now, enqua a different. You wait me a manager, I'm a move to be a remarkable national. But the Giannia Quadani Bedidian did
a stage, no, bedroom, yes, or mutins, you know. Now, who did the the next minute, now, I didn't want to say, and no, children in yes, and or Bayer member, son. Obama no so de ho babo gangs no me ade because accommodate no to be introduce bibi kakra bi manual once on na ekro nti we de empanifo eye free ese aduane de fa ye furu pan
debre ensha banyo an empanifo kwa so muntimi se na na America no
na nya wofo no bia nso na bi wo bia ne man kakra obaje na di
oh yes
and obi on so ade no free SHS nti na wofo no nso no wo makukuru bed ni nyina akogu school
it's because of the way so aye kire free SHS to be honest fear bi kura tabri wo mo emako school keke trunk kura wan fa bia aka
na so ntime nya ne sa
trunk fear
na say e bad
trunk wan fa bia aka
school fees no what
yes
wo tuya mo
ko se ye catch and say ofa we ba for was oh na na do say free
that be na mo na mo antie ni bi no wa wo ba won pay the visit won go hwe no just say free ti eno ane say what pay na to
PTA dues there or say man pani me sa de ba PTA dues there or say Mr President awofo ye twa PTA because most of the schools na edin no PTA if you enko
and ye mfa mu nsi ha na ye ko agudie mu nsam no eba na fe ye the health tips Apollo no a so the acheche nkrofo no se bi nye wo a mumien pay attention na wotwi mu ne fie de bewie titie ne ye ma ye mpa na fe sister Sandy bi ye guide ya hosepe ato aso ye kwaba na ye de aba
Enoch Kwasi Walanyo Wallace agudie catch back up the only nomenclature professor's degree in sports the Al-Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and amazing kunya na me kono kwanten kwadin sama do esa na no pensu bio e wo Ghana gudim eja ka kire busuafo namfofo oyere oma wo fasefo na nanom ukrum ne mpramfo nyina se prof enya abegine ma ye dia wo kensi nsempa esa na no pensu eja eye nwumako mienu omadama omna bo miska dweteme na no pedin common ebro Richoku Mr. This is the spiciest sports morning show ohwese ne ma ACT yede eye ahokansi ho sempa 8 sabrew na obese o spicy day na afi so kwa no hwe ne kamade a Richoku ana betia sabo renewed energy and vitality and all started in the Richoku betia boa emwanya ne right Richoku ne woketwa yo adentem na afi obode no so ha set mi kan e betia sabo papa ne ma me kwala wo fie obi anso ensa betia san ka bi efo ne bo no eda fam obetimi akoso why enjoy Richoku no start today right in the Ghanaian way sanso ana game park games boys dia edi chacha na sentem no ebura adwene ne ntiase so na mum game park games some share so go come dia ba o dial star 946 hash na all networks no select just 4 numbers from 0 to 9 na odi etwa bi easy to play and easy to win. Go www.gameparkgames.com gmail.com na afọ ne mpemfo ni sa so honum eno pa ho a wo hwese na nhyɛ ne sitie dia draw no eba thrice a day na sa no pa best no nkron na aba 12 pm sa aba 6 pm so etime ba dwada enkopim ko sɛ da ntu betime di chacha throughout the week na from Monday to Sunday na boa emaniama akoyi ediama ka game pa games a ɔse more mula more power and yedi wa dance dia chew regulated by the National Lottery Authority and afei so kwa wadi eni mu firi ngotwe mfa ho nyim esan sɛ bet diwa na chacha diwa wadwene betia bom utim betia hyehye wani so betia puru so kura ene timi srɛ ya na de adwene kakra etimi asato we mo omadama wo mo na etachiri aboa mena no penso yede agokansi wo sempa yesa ka no so etimi jaw na wo sina niama esi elko e won hyehya wodo a eno so etimi sa piem no yen sha sentem paso fan komo no so etimi senja na afi hwesina niama esi kwa Euro 2024 qualifiers no go so course den pa France for Ireland African Republic and Enra African Cup of Nations 2023 one more 8 minutes in time so na sa case ne ba so kuma se Babara Sports Stadium Mohamed Kudus ana etimi boa magana nya one goal sa case na afi NS Nyama enso etimi poso atene ba ko ewie no 90 minutes na 2-1 against Central African Republic for na hwese na highlight no esitie.
It is Kudus and it's found its way in. There is the equaliser. Whether percentage play or not, it was Kudus who took the free kick. Lembe easily equal to it, but winning the ball back again here, and the referee hasn't whistled. And there is the winner. That is surely game over. And it is the substitutes combining, Semenyo finding Ernest Tapia. Ghana lead 2-1. And it's surely now on their way to the AFCON final. Celebration.
Coach Chris Hilton, Black Stars of Ghana. Coach Eden Nkomo Betian Samba. But before then, Yanko Patrick Sajiman, countryman Sungo ho, na Enhet Sungo stick. And if you don't pay, Nkoma Sungo Eddie Eba. Hello, Sungo.
You're fantastic, morning, Professor.
Yeah, come on here.
But say when ya a cup of TV loma, maybe the cup of TV that Badwam.
Oh, okay.
Because of the horror show our blasters put you up. You understand? When Mikase horror show. I mean, let's not celebrate about CBI qualify for AFCON. There's nothing to celebrate. You see, I wish goes here we cry. The last goal Ghana say, if not free kick, I will say you're offside. That is the way I'm saying it. But if you are referee, in a different way, if it is not a free kick, I say, Semenya, a piano, pano, you understand? And Sana, if not free kick, let's say offside, the mommy, Sana, Nuama, a boss, Sabona tonight. But the ancient team Nankasa Blasters performance, you understand? It's not up there in New York. And we team now even says swinging their passes together to create chances, in New York, formation, I say 1-1 individual brilliance be now I'm Blasters and your baby. We should see, we also move the handwork of the coach. Say coach, a system of play beer. Boys in a bar who say yes. I mean, system of play, ni goes in a macrana or ball, it major cap. The same thing. You ball to be the young yard near found one qualified near call AFCON. The last time you call AFCON. I mean, that time you see a Ghanaian boys a woman a wabri tree. They don't call Cameroon, match back with Romanche, no more. The same thing, and the Yabo qualifiers. Ghana qualified for African Cup. They are 4 times AFCON, and you qualify more than 20 times. Qualifying qualification is your problem. A basic at the coach be our big coaching blasters. But the tournament, see about AFCON, you could have solid team. You understand? Solid technical team. They know what they are doing. Omo Baba who say yes. I mean, formation properly. Ghana midfield in yet. Ghana goalkeeper with that goal post in Ghana. At Tizigino and Nano. So goalkeeper, yet and no go in America. When your goalkeeper will beat me, Ghana, I'll call AFCON, I'll call the cup. On your tournament goalkeeper. Goalkeeping department will problem. Defense. Problem. Defense. Blasters concede all the time, almost all the time, concede. With anything you call tournament, ye year from me away. Blasters, defenders, a problem. Midfielders, grady and yepra. It deans are no yabobosa, and a Ghana or midfield away, and a Ghana or midfield away, and a Ghana or midfield away. Some midfielders know, Umubesia, Umutimori. Passes in court, and my strikers, maybe who said strikers in the dear Umbitinyae. You understand? Team Melody, bad selection, influential selection, agency selection, official selection. Mumium players based on merit. Yen coach in Fishim. Team need a massive improvement. And Zania Cote d'Ivoire. See a quack ede, ye quack bo of Conibi. I mean, let's see a better the same group stage now. Yen to me film. You better group stage. A Ghana black ball, you share and one more pianing, yes, national team near and yet no correct. Ushabi. National team no improvement in ending blasters or mobile money in your fair and Honkikan. And my own, he said, Team Wady, Omuko tournament on Majika. And Nidian Abba, Ediama, so called football people. Any sports ministry, so much outrageous budget, Beko, Cote d'Ivoire, Afcon, no more taxpayers money, no money. Blasters array, as was no much taxpayers money. And Nidian Abba, Homo. And need Omuna Womaniati, whom said, Ghana said, he supported several park, Omo Yego, but Omo Maniajipa, no, so called football people. Because Omubafa, Blasters, Omone sports ministry, no more taxpayers money or tournament do more resources. Still, no much is got the taxpayers money and more. Can you say they should be worried about the team? Team way a call off corner and our performance way from Blasters call off corner. You bet you crowd, just your bet you, we crowd it will be a baby. Out of the group will be a baby. But I couldn't see a coy and say much about Kukrana. Yeah, Professor, no crack and a bakupe. No, if you ball on boy on any country, Bia, Kakrebia, no, yet in Central African Republic, Biano, and Canada, obey Ghana film. Which and I think that would have been the best way because you better call up for Korea, say taxpayers money there. We need to say your best team no, and no mushebi. Mummy and can ye na blasters no, omo enya much improvement. And yes, sir, after no, you better Korea. Me and no, born no more maternity horror show, a horror football na blasters for the boy. Almost to me pass the balls together to create chances. Midfield in your goalkeeper of Blasters on to me via tournament me and that goalkeeper on area. And you're born about to come and when you're people. But your talent was what? Munmian to your boy say near so called football people need Blasters technical team to was say or mining Mummy. They should bring us the best of players because Ghana our talent now. You bet me a boys ye I'm going to compete. Now that team way and yet team way say no ball we gonna make and my make say you go find you throughout the qualification na you team mo boy ye nya but I say you be na make Canada after only qualifying here is in the my but you could do what na you lucky and I see team in trophy no you could do any away and Dorsey you worried about that and then say you qualified to go and add up to numbers near coach taxpayers money 1 p.m. live and ne fire for fire as usual. Fireman, Mesa Tiajina, Adom TV, so 1 p.m. Now, Mene Ghana for Obia Mecano and coach in so called football people in sports ministry. Woman, we say more money, yes, I qualify Umuko di Ghana, Siga, you could go Afcon, but rather team the year and also more team Nene, or team Naye. More fire. Until Patrick Osajman, countryman Sungu. Ejani we Songo Stick and Odi Ebija and Nano Pertim Sampa Moeshipa Blasters of Ghana performance no na anwene nesen e wodwumedia edi mutim se Central African Republic for mia ho kakra nka omu etimi twifa Ghana force but etie ema yetia qualify for African Cup of Nations la Côte d'Ivoire and adwumedie no ebetua samba so yeto aso dia Chris Hilton after the game e bon komo kakra e de fa Jordan Pierre Ayew ho
yes, we could have done better first half. I think maybe in our possession, and I think probably once we got into the final third, we could have been a little bit more clinical. But sometimes you have to wait for the game to open out a little bit, to be able to use them spaces. So for me, it's always about the ending. The ending is that we won the game. I think in the end we could have won it more comfortably with more goals. So we continue to work. In international football, you don't have the players for very long, and the squad can change from one game to the next. So, but you do the best you can in the period of time that you have.
It doesn't go where you want, you know, and you can go 1-0 down, but we still have 70 minutes to play, and you know, you never have to give up. That would be my way of thinking, and you know, I try to transfer it to the boys. And 1-0 down, I was still confident, you know, because sometimes you struggle to get in the game, and it's a bit difficult. Things are not going your way, but you still need to keep pushing. And even before the game, I told them that even if we go 1-0 down, we need to keep pushing, because if we get the first goal, we win the game, and that's what happened, you know. And that is football. That's the beauty of football. It's full of emotions, and you know, we're proud that we qualified, because it wasn't easy, and you know, the most important thing was to qualify.
As regards what work needs to be done, it's about trying to get as much progress as possible. And I go back to what I did say. One difficulty always in international football is you know, the change of squad, and you've only got to look at this squad for today. And I think we had certainly five players that would have either been sort of close to playing, or you know, our key players that are missing from the squad. So it is about getting as much time as we can. Thankfully, we have another 5 games before AFCON. We have a wonderful tournament in USA, 2 very difficult games, and it will be a real good opportunity to grow.
Coach Chris Hudson, Black Stars head coach, and after the game, no. Omo concentrate for each one. This sound come 8 to Jordan Pierayo and so 8 sound copy but Chris Hudson say or hear him Nyame Adoma Ghana 2 important games United States of America and US football na any Mexico for so 8 sound boss a game no obetia sound boy ama team na tia jele mutumedia egusu but Central African Republic for omo coach offense Raul Sayo ono so edne komo 8 sound to na Raul Savo na nsema kan say referee ogina mu edi akensi no uhwese na City a owia almost Central African Republic for ye papa onim unshare wi bia se salary finida,
because they fight the whole game, and yeah, we don't deserve to lose tonight. I think the draw will be more fair, because well, okay, you are qualified, you win 2-1, but you cannot be proud of your team, because this team is not playing football. So we play football. We are far better than you guys, I think, especially in the first half. Okay, we concede this 1-1 just before the break, and then in second half we push, because for us it was no solution. We have to score the second goal to qualify. Then we made some changes that we take risk to score the second one and then qualify. For of course at the end the result is not very important. As I said, I think if you see the whole game, we have to finish this one with a 1-1 draw, and that's it. You qualify, guys, but we don't lose. And I think the second goal is offside clearly. But okay, we know that the referees, we know that it was yes, I was thinking that the referee will help you guys, but he did it, because they fight the whole game. And
Raul Savoy ana otene kaso de nkomo 18 sa just ya qualify but any moncho ada say uhwese na Mexico so ase yan kasa kran cheda nya de yenim say second goal no kwan eyawi ana 18 sa pm e wakins kese 18 sa to jana kai say scholar no 1-1 we ene Raul Savoy ne nkomo a ode etuja Central African Republic for head coach no but yenko former Ghanaian footballer yaw preko ene o coach ono so observations ka cry for game no ni odija edi
we know they can do better. We know they can do better. Even though the most important is to qualify, and they are qualified. But Ejuma there, say and I believe that from now till January, the coach, the technical team will work on the players and make sure they make the work on the team, and then make sure they prepare a very solid team for the tournament in Côte d'Ivoire. It wasn't one of our best though. We do.
Inti ya preko ya rush and a manable samane efreno on our ten castle so any observations of Blasters against Central African Republic no Asia. I mean for Unsia Namena was say, Mr. Super Sister Sandy be a guy, no Queen many many, Otim Sampa, Wajini Jeff for Kimpling be up and down. I just say FPA and to obey, and you went into baby, catch up with your phone enough for or yet or my off as for an unknown I say, Adom TV so a bed the more. Sister Sandy be a guy. In terms of intimacy, I just see what a throw battery. Game Park Games, and she says on Kunit Sambai. Boys, dear AD channel, and some get to a cram cell, star 946 hash, all networks, was selected 4 numbers from 0 to 9. Now, Odia Tribina, Boma, Nema, Etia, the amount. On daily basis, now Adom TV add a draw on 8 Meba, now Monday to Sunday, Tiano Paddy on Chrome at 12 p.m. and at 6 p.m. daily, and a draw on 8 Meba. And 20 years pa, Ubit me a dianum area, 1 year we answer, Ubit me a dianum. Now, Boamo Sika Jete on some so Etia, can Game Park Games are, or some more mula, and I feel so more power, and on Modiaba, regulated by the National Lottery Authority, and on the Science Shelson Create 8 Major. Meso is so Shanusman, Mr. Richoku. Me patrol umwe de pa obetimi de social no obetimi so e di insonyu etia sambon richuku eboa amanya the right nourishment e ma the statue dey no ye oketo ho ye wadantem anafe obode so ha eboa ma manfo so dwumadi a omodia no pabia no niama etia kwe on the spiciest air television sport show and pabia no and ye de richuku present e dia ma modenda so sabitia kebe boni da fam go ahead enjoy richuku and start your day right the Ghanaian way. We mo and sponsors some technical emena no penso ye de agokensi won sempa en saka ejao. Within the Enoch Kwesi Wolanyo Wallace agudi cash back ope. The only nomenclature of the professor's degree in sports, the Regina Wallace, the nation's presenter, and the of course Friday morning is so agokensi won sempa en saka etimijao. The act of being a good guest is to now to say goodbye.
Mwakwaba medini afia amankwa tamaklo na minshira opa na ochi so so aka ye ho ne edi nkomo afa Apollo ehu obia itimiye wo Apollo 1000 na ni afia ya sampa the way tie we ye ho wa anye careful be chew me pa nye space pa Dr. Daroma office wo mde aye me femfram misu mini adaje ti so wo pese bi be ye ode a my dear wu so bia ye obia bo ho ban Tiade prevention and treatment ewo Apollo ho Dr. Rachel kusi akosati edwane ne edi wie nti se wan hwede a go back ko me Facebook a obenya ko YouTube Adom TV so a obenya hwe dog edase e mo akwa so ebiem na ochi wa boye edase se wa kire ne hwe ne treatment and hwe prevention ewo Apollo
Safiame dase aya meta kase yesi Apollo no eyade esai ti se sai dia first of all no wo da sorry na woni ayekoko a wo sa nipa no emfa woni kokko na enkotena school dem enkoche students ade
okay
ye ka prevention no wo nipa sa so wankasa so bo ankofo se woni aye red efinsuo wo kire daycare so wo de be sign kra no there was a school student back who e ko sign a teacher teacher the sign me ba school
class
teacher the sign I crab 5
oh
asna mu sa crab back na yes ade no 81st of all no se wonya bia emfa nko nipam e na wo so a onipa so a wo kono ese Apollo naba wo kono bia ni aye reda se afia me nko ne nchen
oh sir
ai
o de ase achichi e ho
so that is that wo fan nchen no because ben na e bia na bia nya wo it no see another thing
and I can be one of the days you know say yewa no apepa no de akoso adie mu dem say say wo horo no so e ho no
and also at one point I'm be kan wasem frequent washing of hands is very important ube wa show hand kama na fe ube make sure say on fa on santa anko wani because say wo bi now the ko wani a wo the best sign kofo the frequent watching of fans in ka obenya every 10 minutes 20 minutes bi an obe wo she ube so do bi mu obe wo she na aye neat and I feel so no say bia wo ye parent na wanya bia they are very careful wo on kran keto a ebi betima sign kran no because mo nim nyansa eti no betwe ho afro man ho kakra and I say wo baso na enya bia one ne nua na dampa so there be is not allowed
okay
wo betwe ne nua na wanya bi na to nchen na wa separate kakra they shouldn't use one towel one sponge bibia be distance
okay
because infection stages near for a short time within 3-4 days 1 week na ejai eti wo hwe ne sa na eboa edunti men kwa ne nchen and I face mporo ade ne kwa awie no ubechenyi pillowcase ni bibia say be different person be ba ne nchen yes
but when mama musa we ka won say ya na ya hye space na ya hye ne normal space obi atimi hye bibia de protected there.
Okay, in a way, no, a protected kakra. Because, for instance, the way in Susi Fisuba, I read near the no. Suspects no sha, and my own found sa, and Cohen, you know. Until they quiet car was a man found some Cohen. So, in a way, no, a water kakra. And as a bimpan from an ever bought, I call other people near. It's Missy and no quite kakra. Jana's first in that case, no, I never.
Okay. And I know. Omunyu su tissue ananse yemfa den na empepa no
safi amendase omunya Apollo e de handkerchief obi kura de face towel kese no da pepa ne say na afi no da che ne botom infection pa me obi bi me clinic odo am me serew me kwa na meteme fa infection brem because adena wode apra ni na obanyi na afo na wode ba we yasa na wo che infection na wode ba eti handkerchief usage is bad face towel is bad wonya Apollo a satan we nyusu sa ne ma no ti wo de tissue nketenkete ne bi ebi ekeka ebi ya wo ya wo de ya na wa pepa ne say
okay
why try ne kama no wato atwene wo wi a wa show hand in that case no omo be wo nyina no wa say bu no yeah parent bi nya bi ono so the sign abusuafo nyina
na wo de be yo mampa
enti one try sefia eha edunti no obi wo ho a enya no ne de na no anya di o but ne badie ni nua de na anu ayede
eno kurebu ade okofa bae no ho anyi problem ade obenya aye no na ne de so ntinka obe advice say ebi ba oso nko ade a stay out say your office enko ha kozi say beko
yeah nka that is the best because oya say we de koye adwuma obi any amenya condition bi mama ye ready say yes wo pan Philippines so say bi eba was me de koye adwuma na so boss na we de koye adwuma no what dey be sign no
wa nkwa ebe na di nti
ha no kan no na me a o be no wacha ma obi adwuma mfo nyina Indonesia is advisable to stay off work doctor for it me report kakra so nipa na ni we no so we de ba mo nyina ebe sign mo into want na fi kakra
nyamisha yemfa unsi ha na emrani adaje wanya chechi nyamisha papa yeda se enti doctor number no na e screen no ase no frɛ no nkomo ayedi ene wani ho ha obia no frɛ no na ene ne nkomo de Dr. Rachel Kusi Akosa oye optometrist a wono wo Frederick Optical Service midi afia amankwa tamaklo medadache hene ase azu medawase ne me editor Gina nyamisha dasene ana na wotwofo yeti ase na nkwa wo yemu a ebese hia Mwakoba midini afia
Adom TV. So Badwam and Augusto share on your Drew so na hosepe. You say muni asepe ho de mu eden. Stay bia be me the Sandra heme ametiwa. Now so adwuma nyame Adom entertainment amazing Ghana for shema.
When you start sending now, where do you go? Guy. Sister Sandy be a guy.
Anopa watch it dear.
We a guy.
Anopa watch it dear. A year better. Kofi Ampedu. My do watch am me say yes. Nga nani kum. But ye tie bia no. Ya den sem no. Eba hwehwe so na watching ye fa project bi say je be ye celebrate showbiz and drug addiction. And Dr. Annie Gazy, a clinical psychologist. Oh, you have which may specialize in addiction. On you and the sound commoning in a name, you ever tougher. Now you're Virginia pra and she cramp on I did a Stefatano at Wasuye. See, I'm a Dr. Real quick. Hi, dog. Good morning, BM. Hello, dog. Good morning. Dog, I want to kindly unmute yourself.
Yes. Yes, I'm trying to unmute.
Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Sandy, it's the same.
Okay, your topic, it's gone a long way. Feedback, it's been very helpful, very educative, And now you're born a top of crown part, doc. They actually change, come on, and someone you're king no. You're born a top far. Dana work for addiction, we say home.
As an American son, look at open watch
straight off watching.
My favorite food.
Dog, my package is for DHL. My package is for DHL, bro. Come on. Me, I'm a German, and I'm so no lie.
Yes, I'm glad to say we see feedback has been very good because this is what we're looking for in terms of situations like this because addiction, and stigma, any issues around secrecy and our culture, tradition, our religion. We try as much as possible to shy away from talking about it. It is a feedback about nature said there's been an impact. The American Obiani said, Odofobi, Unimobi, Nasibia, who say, we use drugs, no and now ye bibia addiction, or seek help, seek support. At least, I'm glad even when we were talking about the eyes or more discussing about eyes, the doctor talked something about preventative. Preventative is very, very important. I just say na bibi kasa ebi o wa endure tracer nipa kono go recreational inti sebia o yako party ya drugs kakra ye ni age just to also say men start to cry. Na akoye bibia ewo ho so what starting so seek help. There are lots of professionals in Ghana that you can seek help from. So seek help, get somebody to talk to. So we have treatment. We have also the psychotherapy and that's a psychological intervention. And we have medications as well that can help you. So be away the stage. And so we have other therapies where walking, going out for going to the beach, exercises, eating well, sleeping well. Addiction is very big and it's very easy. No, a bit happen to anybody and everybody. Yes, Obia want a story. We all have our own stories. We name their beba. If you want you can't addiction, you can't illicit substances. But what we are forgetting, so they say prescription drugs. There was a time in Ghana saying that tramadol was a problem. I'm sure that there are other ways. Addiction men dream say because your friends say prescription drugs ninti. I know they addicted to paracetamol. To so many other ways. What we are trying to say today is addiction and it affects your brain. It can cause loss of both physical and mental health, psychological issues. And you don't do it. And when you do it as well, it's okay to do it. And they will also start doing it. Lots of professionals feel say you're good, especially a modern world. Stress is very, very high. Until we take all sorts to keep us going and also to go to sleep. What I want to tell you is anything you put in your system, you pay back. It's men dreams a bema waiting near that. If you say a man for say me no alcohol, it's me mama that they be. We'll be sorry in the middle of the night. Unless you drink again, you can't continue sleeping.
Wow. I like what he said. Say anything you put in your body, you pay for it, because
definitely.
I got phone on near my go system anymore. Doc, do you mind sharing any contacts? Be now or how be now? I don't know. Say possible. Say physiotherapy need be bet me your phone. So now be or how go Ghana or bet me a book. I don't know if it's possible. Patrick, possible, sir.
Me want number.
Okay.
But also, my setting up Facebook page be a your friend African Women Together.
Right.
African Women Together. Into which is go and like it or go and follow it.
Right.
And yes, so I would give a number. And as I say, if you can email me as well, my email is dovewomen@gmail.com. dovewomen@gmail.com. I mention person me Ghana number because I have UK number and hang for kakra. So person me my number. If you just want to just have a chat, talk to me or anything like that, you can do it. But mommy, just 1 second. Whilst I'm mentioning, to the mechanism, our teachers and everything, please, awareness is important. Into my number here 0233 50174 1531. Into 050 174 1531. Enough. Is that correct?
Okay. And see, Dr. Annie Gazy, a clinical psychologist at UK on any NHS Como and I no pay. I see, Doc, you better watch CP, send our watching Munano when you break any NHS Como on addiction. It's been very helpful. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
And Tim Repemuno, you better have a bob plunim, you can't be responsibly. You better have a bob.
Right, Medasi. Bye bye.
Bye. And see, now watching and come about addiction, and it's been very helpful. We heard feedback say about social media, my phone, so near the phone, social media. Messages and all that it's been very great. And I was more on Samagana for Selma Jatum say we're gonna cut it. Yeah. Just a million maybe the almost no more shame. Almost quite life never was so to say share no more should they again. And say the doctor can that on that note, real quick, Ghana artists, a bit more. Yeah, that's right. Some more quadjiji near maybe Coco baby so person ye famous. O quadjiji so person blow. Now would you we now blow? Na bibi who don't come and cry to us because also pay fame and power. And it's only bon some quiet exchange. Na bibi who now why and can't say because ubenya finger made the bema what talent ubenya bibi kitten kata won't pay the boomer ubeko boom. Making I say me abeto pono so. Jengina ya Black Sheriff. Kumasi Academy for this Concron Black Sheriff. About life and no can't be about people slashing his throat. Ebi mo see he's being sarcastic. Ebi Annie Gazy kano ye very big hot balloon, ye very big shisha, ye very big tampebo some tower. Ningi night me cause near my boy. And in the Blacko. I hope say we be okay. Ghana for be chemwa. You sound a bit off. Maybe we say be a day no the all fire. Maybe create me and you now no me. Maybe an ins you know air month. One me abro. So it means so bad say you know. But one thing I realize about Ghana for if they love you too much, love and they blind you, they can't really tell you what it is. But yo guy, akunini vouloir c'est vouloir. Bibia be fine. What I say. If truly if you're not speaking in parables and you really mean it, say people want to slash your throats. Yo, IGP, salute, pick it up. Na report it. Very necessary. Yes, life now like him. But the rest of it, you need help. Talk to professionals, management. Again, you are using the guy to gain money, making sure so you're okay. And right now, yeah, current biggest export gold, Black Sheriff come home. And it means nothing. And yeah, you want to slash my throat. TikTok life, near funny side there be. Momoano. We hope say you are okay. We are sending you lots and lots of love. Ya me be bibia be fan Mary. E wo honom dia bibia be fan. Same Blacko na me gina honom ka say was saying a nomination BET Best International Flow on the American. Guy no your biggest export back no. Enti wa person was slashing the throat to be a yes mo janka wani me na no pe na sesa waje. E spiritual so dia. Kofi Ampedu ho minister. Oba him acho bumpire life. Spiritual. Afa wo ho, more power ho. Command your morning. Wo ho. Ni nyina wo ho. Nti guy, meant na TikTok life again. Seek help. If really people want to slash your throat because you are nominated you for Best International Flow, BET. Ghana, mumie him flag and entire brand here, Blacko, Best International Flow. Your steez, your swag, your energy, your dressing, everything is on point. I think you're a Muslim, right? Ben Allah. Oh no. And wow, what I say? So, Winnie wears a friend, Sabit Safrache. You're quade, one of the biggest who flew ye in a look a quade. It's a mess of Blacko. Many abre pa because Menuginaku Kumasi Academy. Many abre pa say spiritual, please. Wouldn't you mean Dinaji Aledia? Just get closer to Allah and pray. And pay international Hunesari and the Musan and American Crawford Giniamo. 18 men internet TikTok life, a honemo seek help. Okay? It's a Ghana for Black with Chema. Obi person slashing the throat. It's Muhuno Chrome. Physically, so no, Mushiana, Momon, and Hobby Mammy. What's it? Physically, Blacko, don't make me sad. God got you, okay? It's yeah, twice real quick. Me patcho dear brass is here. Now you're into uncommon soon. Kwabena, I don't know, one of the greatest high life musicians in all Ghana, I say. About a live band there. Me chebre chia medibet. Or yeah, dear painter, yeah, say, you know, what did mediation could be. I be friend Blackberry Lounge. On it Blackberry Lounge for omoye medie yeah Blackberry. Them some more live programs this concert. It's way over see obet me do any afa ho. We chucha bi now with the question at home kakra. Now we enjoy the silky voice of KB. Kwabena no. Me to Manifest. A very good rapper. But Kobana say, brofo a problem, my movie, or Ghana say, yes. Which I get problem. Yeah, kasa ni tree, they be amekasa me ninja kasa ho. China ni bro ni on mekechi. Obeka Chinese, obeka English. Ghana pe and our cabro futi ane esro. Kasa nye kasa uketi ane esro. Ketchi bube. Nama when ninja kasa with Manifest Shema album is ready. And we hope that this time around, no, rather money. We hope say what they are taught from mama na tree rap kaka na still see in dictionary ningi dem whoever it is no you bet album no see are ready when ebe there you be join in on social media handles no nyina ya date near the amount but whatever it is no yentie en come on Becky with a good hair join you at your chain.
For instance, an album is finished, it's ready to come out, but I think I'm not a new artist anymore. So what the requirement of how to make things go on the next level is different. So beyond making the music, which I do all the time, it's sort of strategically moving in ways to make it resonate on some level. So yeah, but I've been active. That's the thing. Even when I don't release music, I'm active. You might see me with Hennessy in New York. You might see me in this and the third. I'm active, but I love the idea of being able to draw back and then having a body of work and then figuring out how to make it resonate the most. Because if it's just about releasing songs, other people, we all record and do great things. So. Yeah, no, I'm good. I think everything is going swimmingly well.
What do you think we are missing? The people, the masses are missing, because listening to you, you wanted to put out a project that will resonate with the people, that will make sense.
I know that's my intent. It's not wanted to. It's not like something that I wanted to do that failed. But that's where I'm going.
That's where you're going. You think that we don't get where you're going?
No, I don't. I don't think that's the case. I think we stand at different POVs or points of views. So right now you are my interviewer. So the angle is that people expect a person like me to make a certain quality of music and put it out. So beyond making the quality of music and putting it out is making it resonate, making it have vibrations, so that you can be like, oh yeah, I've heard Manifest before, but this time it feels different. So, I'll give you exclusive, it's easy. For instance,
Manifest Chimwa, and no big respect to you, Manny. Now, my cameraman, Chimwa, Obed Nefantino, Muchimwa, Ghana artist. And you woo, I'm your event international. Yes, she move VP na Mabobo. I am where yes, sir. After watching a no interview now, I want can say media, the media. Fantino no more. I'm saying Ghana artist Pina na more no. That much share na Mabu. Program no. Na am share no sasa. Ya chabu kasana inyasa. Metwa so EL and Susu Echemwa. Or my EP 7 solid tracks. Snamo kaso koye delivery US abroach memoniade. Now will be o delivery US. Ni pay class was saying media personality. I'm telling you for a fact. Into here also switch 7 EP or they might straight up into any patronize. Anticipate to me on the page. Now koye. Me den semni na ebesi. Ewa ha say the title here the teacher. Intro the teacher sober who say Ishoki Kolebu feature Adom Nation, Chop Life, Valley. And tonight na no obetimi akosoki. Me sure so the better boom play ni ade. Well be Kofi Ampedu me director, senior director no. O hwehwe to so no. O san ka moma ni zoom we chwe na yede to ha. Because Ampedu hwehwe but the two Facebook we say so this is Ampedu. I've been hearing his name here that team George Adum Kumasi no one ba no well be Kofi Ampedu. Papa no dress ko Facebook type well be Kofi Ampedu. Now they heard their makeup, but yes, Fantino no bed age na has say Lizzie, Echimanim Emma mo makeup department. Lizzie may say by the metria quadrupam. And osmosis a sound. Now my country was a tone slim tea, a herbal slim tea. My sound to tone seminar, natural skin product. Nigga no hits me up on my social media. Won't say me I saw to fine pan. I'm the guy's queen. Wish I'm more chroma hair logistics. I'm a me. It's in your butcher. Na mami. Bows, I'm on my way.
The bedroom now, Ocean, yada sister Sandy be a guy. Yada na say, I was a power, dear bread. You do son and come away with your pie. Nest, baby, out here be a yana or home bambono. Bambo phone way, and one can sound so familiar, and also to me, a year dogs of papa, and a security gadget, a hoodwa, or the wolf in no office, and then me wore STL Superlock for a waha. Our baba boy and Yashe, near my pa. One more Yora George, Yabua menu, ewa hase, memo kwa babemena. Sabi bia boko dear. Yada o Yankopon papa, yada se. Na yaka STL Superlock Yajumako.
Okay, medase. Mechia with you for so. STL Superlock Yajumako. Ye mammy and Casan do STL. Yeah, subsidiary, as in Yeshanase.
Okay.
Nti ya yeshe na se no yo Amandi yo Supertech yo Agritor yo Bost like yeah basically yeah bibia esum Ghana but STL Superlock no ye ton edan ho niema
okay
niema ohia e wo fie obemo abutoyem so person movie court na ofia nti eno ne de ma
wow ene ma yenhunu niema wodo a wo se the opposite or cotton if you man assume John wo here any location no near there.
Okay, you per STL Superlocker, your Jolu. Ewo Jolu do Jolu ake Ufurata Street, Ubo STL Superlocker. Your ton security doors. Okay. Your internal doors, your burglar proof. Your glazing as in aluminium product. Your ton kitchen. Your ton carport, your ton pergola, your gate. Your solar post into bibia here bia abe more comfortable if you know you beti me am
I hope say fie nko our office na nwuma mu nyina nso mo ye
pacho ai ne man eton both domestic and commercial purposes and ye adwuma ne ma obia ye say oye ni patitrio so oye ni patitrio so pa ko si ufie so pa ko ye adwuma mu you deliver to you
it's not just say fie no ye sie wi a na mo maba ho na maba my doors more doors papa na security bia nso mo ye mai
anya se fie a esi nko a because obi wa to fie no baby
okay
door no ne ninja ho wato fie no windows ne ninja ho ndi still ne timi ba ne be analyze nya ohia wo fie ho a e betime to security door no ne de ni bi ahia because eno wa ho den pa
na ya samo wo ada ayi bi a mo ye bi a obi ho no mo pese wo to fie obi ho pese o to car enso aye challenge de amano de na STL Superlock 4 ye boasa for
ni nyina ye fameko no asin sikano
sa
ya what system ni be 20 years ni
okay
bibia ye kasa bibia ye kasa ututu anamo na ba ye asye ya wodo how betu ye nima ye tena se ebitima eno wa arrangement bi terms of payment ewo ho nti ne hian so ubetu anamo no aba na oni abekasa
okay
yes
se minya masasa na nko ade a me ye sure se asase na ho dwode a me ba mo ho no mu a ni bibia mu no
so wonya wasase a wesi udan ne wie no aboso because ye de body a nice why wadwan akotena fie no and you provide
okay
why you so person kotena on because security door ni say no ye dey see upno na no ama internal doors ni inside windows burglar proof kitchen. So once you finish acquiring the winya assassin no how we see udan aboso
na ehia lock
no man kakra we dey be na wakotena fie
on ye mfrem no
exactly
okay nti and also mo ye no commercial so say bia estate developers bi enu nyina mo ye na ba ko individuals so mo ye na offices schools nyina mo ye saade wow na branches no ye ba ko pa na
pacho dabi main office na nkasa e ojolu KO Furiata Street aside that ni Okumasi so airport runabout it's on Takrade Accra say na so we hu ye wo Adenta it's on Wija and it's on Tema.
Oh wow.
So it's a big company. Yes.
But this year mu ye bibia na.
Ye fair bi wo Tema 15th to 18th.
This month.
Me pacho wa.
Oh okay. The next week oh.
Me pacho wa.
Okay.
Ye tutu ya na mo aba ma so ye no. Say ye be che mo niema na ye wa ye betimi dia ma manfo a.
Okay.
O mani beje ho.
Ti me hu fair na ekoso wo he na wan betimi aba bi.
Pacho ekoso wo Tema. Ba obia betimi aba bi. It's open for everybody. Metropolitan Assembly.
Oh, TM wa. Yeah, you are quite. So also the who baby akra so ko TM office.
Exactly.
Okay.
Because ye basi e be so man for. Nti ye yimu ka say we na bra, we na member. And obi a obeba so. Anyo no kra na e ba beto a. Oba no be hu ne ba na e wa. Opia.
Sir.
Obetima ko din wa dance a chi obi. Nti enye say wo a oba beto a de ne kwa na bra. Obia betimi aba. Exactly.
Mo product ni nyina mo be showcase egu ho no obia bebe. Ye wo hia say wo fie na wo hia security ne ma bia. Sa fair na be cost 15th to the
18th.
That's 3 days. Mo gina tama TM ani mo ha. Wow. Na sika bi wo mu ana yo se etwetua.
No da bi wo be bia. Ye jisike bia. Eye exhibition there. Wo be film ahwe ne ma na ye wo no. Ne ama o catalog. Ne ama o pen kitu ebi souvenir bi ase obae ne o yedija o kwan no. Nti da na we ni boss crowd be guys yo. We call fair we minya pen we. Book ni so e be ma no security doors ni wo, kitchen wo, burglar proof wo.
Ti de open na you say what you spoon.
Exactly. We ko to a once we ni be boss bi ano, we be kai Superlock. Nti enye ye nko a.
Banks no so kra here bi because me hu sa security drawer bi a keys be dey pass across baby.
No cry woman ni say we provided the best security doors. Here near banks. Security door. The told me ATM machine echi. Very very solid.
Oh wow.
It's second to none. Yes.
E pesa afefo do hwe madwuma na amoye no. Nti e bia ni to mu hu ni ye dia. STL Superlock 4 omwadwuma we e doors no. We who sad na make us a banks for a you know.
And the first page will be Uncle will be first.
So we are there be.
I told that next one.
We no.
No.
Aye. Baba ko no ha na ye clear. And na mpese omo hwe no. Me bie ba ku bia. Am say wow. We.
Safe no. And you see for both domestic and commercial purposes.
Office kura wunye ye bia. yana fine pa okay nti fa no ehu ehia de na exhibitors ana say ye ba hwahwefo no ye expect this year na we first time ana
Pastor David Joy FM program dey akosa internet Habitat Fair.
Yeah, Habitat Fair. Oh.
Mo ye bi mai o Achimota, West Hills. Yes, Junction mo ni nyina ye ko.
Yes, sir, ba TMA.
Exactly.
Ho na mo pie yo.
Exactly.
Okay. Nti we dey sika bi edim.
David.
Nti na just say ye adansie ho niema. Wasi dan no awie. Na wo locking. Ye be ye de amount. School mpanimfo nso omo hia bia. Eno so omumra ho mbenya
ntina me starting me kind obia betimi aba yeyim obia betimi a wodo how betu enima yeso ye solution e wono ye de be ma
sa na be last word na ye
okay yeah STL awo for 20 years ni they provide best services, so still we are providing it until you don't need to bring any money when you are coming over there to anamona bra na behwe niema na ye ma ono usika so crowd dey bra na behwe 20 years musu ye ma discounts be bra say door ye be ma discount window ye be ma discount begla proof ye be ma discount na usika be so bia bra ye be ma discount ama we otimi ni edidwa me da say
eni wura George yem fa unsi ha ye da say papa STL entino Habitat Fair 2023 exhibition no Ebekoso Tema Metropolitan Assembly 15th to 17th. Ubel Kushia STL Super Lock 4 ho. Security won send bia no fadan won. Ombe na kama ede amount. Ya no one more we numbers in the screen no asia no 0244 311360 0244 311360 and 0302 785508 0302 785508. Now no makasa obi ehia bambo dan no do edemu nya papa konfo be room na papa kro mu room but so ne STL Superlock edin so you are secured ewo ehonum ti me ne won awie me da se papa me wo birthday for bi ewo ha ma me famfamu to ebra yegu ahoboaso etwen madofo enkaye no na happy birthday nkoma Miriam Daxon from Kimpi. I always wish you a happy birthday. Nyame shrawo, nyame nyo kese kusise obeye kese Miriam Daxon from Kimpi. And I wish you a happy birthday. Radio Adom ni shra enye kese ewa brabo mo sanso na happy faith birthday. Enkoma Aseda Frempong or Belgium. Happy faith birthday. Koma Aseda Frempong. Uma me no papa me say Mrs. Frempong or Belgium. Nyame shrawo 5 years Benya 100 aka ho wa hodin nyansam werade mawso free adumu enko adumu no onye wo kese pa nti happy birthday enko emfa emmabode adu so no me wo joy industries for enso ewa haseya ye de wo mo di enkomo nti Peter Donyo awoye chemist ewo joy heba Vical 20 eguso awa dwama so nti se ye bia eneti nkomo no na osokope binom bema memu akwaba
ejoso
se bibia aboko de
obora no bibia aboko
yeah wana ye makeup yi kokko na tuntum no MC tuntum no sa lisi mo efe aya de pa ye ni nkomo na Vical 20 ekosai
ekoye papa me no ka say de se say no ya tre ya hyemu
facha me kakra that ai papa mpacho minti
yeah se say me no ka say de ya tre ya hyemu from West Africa no you see across Southern Africa
wow
this is we call on mind be to say South Africa Zambia Zimbabwe Tanzania Congo omunyina esodro Vical 20 Mustafia won say de bia e ba na e ka Vical ho asem a eye obi be fi say obi onum bi da be fi say ebosremuka edro ni ye adwuma onipa dasani bi obenu madro Vical 20 akoni mu bia no enya sunsuanso pa
okay
enu nti ye ko ho no I came last month on the 8th e be san ko biem na wo hwe daily report ayenya every ho no e bana na adansidie no esewani ense wo ka kire we dia danse pefe say Sina ye kind data about vehicle 20 say ye immune system support drug at Joy Herbal Center ye dia bano sa pepepe netie efficacy safety be bia than akwemu ye pepepe enti me no ka say e draw vehicle 20 unique very unique esa ne say wonu ma draw ba kuna e boost immune system no ema won komo no nya hoden ema almost yare die ha wo ni peduen bia no etutu ase de man and the man here unique no almost yare bia woni peduen bia no etu ase eden e de man na we sister bi ana oyare oma ye ni omba ye bia ne ho mfa no ni BP no kwa na ekosoro enti to the point say ye say begina to hospital oh ne banso ya friend say ne ba yare wo fie enti say no oja no hama wada hospital na say so kofie ko hwe ne banana no se dabi me ba no ho hia ma me fo de wo nhira mo enti o kem no kai say no owo me number enti o be frame me enti o frame me no na me bisa no one or two questions bi e say no we free hospital e say it me den eboa no enti me bisa no one or two questions so year no na me hu say sister Fia ne ha ye nua be ya infection o hwe the way na Johnson mu sent the way na say me hu say ya infection sister kokoto edro vehicle 20 wo de to 2 bottles penafaso hwe say wo 2 bottles ne we anko a ne how na anko a obi pine kosoro na anko a tumrika na enkoje wonto oba de na hwe oba na wie na so damase sister Fia wa no 1 bottle kra na ansa ono ko the nearest clinic e won in chance mo check ni BP man no aba normal. Wow. Aba normal until beside me say what happened? And I say no. Say the pediatric pick infections sana. Say UTI no apeke no. Bacterial infections. And say the pediatric pick sana. The immune system best of fight those pathogens. It as a result the pediatric produce inflammation, cytokines, prostaglandins, and as for. Say the pediatric produce any mana. Ebe ma temperature no BP better ebe kosoro. And the moment how about draw vehicle 20 no share vehicle no my immune system no immune system yes the complex network of cells and proteins that defend your body against infections being bacterial infections, fungal infections, protozoa infections, RNA type of viruses and as a DNA type of viruses. And say way so one can say immune system no draw vehicle 20 ne benya hoden e bunkan for muswa man produce those certain pathogens mabobo so be cytokines prostaglandins inflammation no e ma BPN de enkoso and it is no draw vehicle 20 the temporary type of high blood pressure infections ama wanya no asebetu and age related BP enu ye 10 year age related BP enu no say yenyi na ye arteries ye veins ye ntrimu asisi because of LDL low density lipoproteins say ntrimu kwan nyina no so wonu ma draw vehicle 20 apart from say vehicle ye immune system support drug no some containing a lot of phytochemicals being saponins, being triterpenols, being polyuronides, phenolic compounds, bromelain, a lot of good alkaloids ebwa enane emulsify enane sesade we nyina efri wuntrimu etu behwa obefro osipi me no modro vehicle 20 no me BP na maku no you see I regulated I normal what happened and I say a vehicle 20 phytochemicals den ewo esiche yare diabetes me pacho more diabetes no metro challenge say sugar level no of so say den one vehicle 20 ebe normal the amount ama normal na nya draw vehicle 20 na kan ho asem me pacho merima impo ya BP no aye to the extent say ya no nrama ya nya that unreactive and as ya rusty a little bit in coat ya rusty in bed no say one vehicle 20 at the regulative BP we ye be ma ye be so more PF I'm not into that but what we say vehicle no e soni moja so e ma moja nane wo mu e ma moja di umu afrosane e san containing nitric oxide component e be ma dilate wo blood vessels no enti say BP nko adea ene tumunda vehicle 20 eden ebe guide no vehicle marima ye wo prostate munte ni ye prostate clinics adults bebre prostate no adults bebre but doma one prostate medication I recommend marima from 40 years and above and say yanum adro vehicle 20 ebehu wonuma inflammation of the prostate, enlargement, and as a cancer of it, me pacho, we need to kwanta, ye be pie. And ma more menstrual pain, and as any form of menstrual disorders, biano, say benefit come how dear. Number one, a drop back where tatakre, man, kasa munim, mokasa mudi one dance searcher afufro, a drone a vehicle 20. Infections are huro, being STI, and as a UTI. About my treponema pallidum more muja or syphilis. One of my drove vehicle 20, a bit to say the amount. But my Neisseria gonorrhea bacteria, a giant gonorrhea. So one of my drove vehicle 20, a bit to say the amount. It is a chlamydia, very simple. Say fungal infections, white or they put trash infections are me pacho any form of fungal infections biano. One of my drove vehicle 20, a bit to say the amount. Now not open a medical unye. Sisiere bebrebe spinal cord me chi don peye me ya mi kotodwe mapos no bebre na enye onyi bebre na ye due to bone infections. It's a bone infections dear a drop back to ase de ma e vehicle 20. It's a utia wo don panimu a me pacho no wa sra nkuni ade inku containing xanthosallum xanthosloides closena anisata eugenia carophyta wa sra nkuni nyina na and kosiaga kai who say it could be bone infections a drop back to ase de ma e vehicle 20 and me gina infections so because infections are there here a man merima pacho bebrebe na drop back be boa e vehicle 20 called drug stores be a ton vehicle 20 pharmacy shop herbal shop be no frey e was 0244 876 321 0244 876 321 and 0244 585 531 0244 585 531. Can who say halitosis is infections? A bit my pathological and I say physiological. In any case, no, so we drove vehicle 20 and monka. I obi o ha ni sifita so kasa baka sabi wata.
Yeah, that's it, Papa.
No my vehicle 20. Then to us
that's it. Joy Herbal Center vehicle 20 and then they can what's the we drugstore be bia ubenya bi. Me kwa ba sisi e me wofofo bi so wachi ye ba ye beto so. Yeah, that's it. Ye mo kwa ba bi me Adom TV Badwam na o hye me wo Dr. Sharp e wa ha. Ye ne no e ba bi din komo na ya hye. Emu ahodo de boye e wa yaresabia e kwan so dog ye mo ache
mejoso
e bia boko de
nyame adom ne na bofa da wama
ye de nyame ase ye ntie we ne ja ade achi bia ni pafoforo be hwa Adom TV ti na ona ente wonka no so ate wonka
ye de nyame ase ye chia obi biara na obi se Dr. Sharp se wunya chia Dr. Sharp de a na chese eyanige ene ahotonko a ena wo ho beto esan se yade manipa bre ma me papa obi wo no ma ne abibiduro fo aye no kura ntina na se nuro fo aye ni ntine ompese TV kura wote ye a wa no isi na wa ye de be no ye firi ono e ba ne san so a wo bebre na akoye se wo si wo pese obobo nso usuro si ye bebu na ma na ye betwa me pa cha no so kan agro no eye part pa na wa mere nso so a untimi before o kwakọ ti aduro bi no hu se papa no ewura na wutwa gu ni nyina ansa na watietia so akotwa aduro na wu ni no ne watwa gu no nso so no nso so ye aduro but ebia na wu ni odafo unhye ma o mpa bada anase untimi nkase usika ebe seda ye onom no ya obi anim se ye drama na anye ya ye sandu sika ma ye samo sika ka ho ebi ntimi nsi nka me ntimi metena TV so enkasa because me wonom do ma eba wonom no ma me papa untimi nkan ebi mu kura hia me kura me hu omon so na omgusu bege do we ho hwe ma me nkire wade maka se unim wo TV we so me wo TV stations bebre so gisa ne mempe Odofo se wahwe me obaabi ene wahu me wo anu e Dr. Sharp krona se ma ya adura ma na anye ya na wahwe me wo ha na wahu baabi no e Dr. Sharp krona me se free TV fo no na gu manim asese me ya aduro ma no anye ye ye be sa du sika ma ti asem ni ye pa ye be se mo 15,000 Ghana cedis e di account ya mfa mo report ma police station bia be bia police impayifo me na me ye madu na me wo minimum said enura me ye any 2 million ahode ekita me mfeli aduro yade a menye no e ya chacha kwata e na kompo me pa cha no pe na menye na tie ayaresa no ne tie wo 2 million ahode e kasa sa no aduro no me na nam na kire me e wo enkransa ye fire bro ahafo ma me papa e yade a e wo abusuanum ena nyame tumi ne na ho ode nsoso no esa adwempa ne nioma bi nti no wase ama tumi se menye na me nsane nipa emfiri nhyehyɛ bia mu ma me nka asem nkire machine ensa yade ankasa beba no wonse se o steady a obi pa before me kire me manfanto bi o before obi betimi ayeyie no ana wakɔ nanim no na tumi ne ahode bi bɔ ne ho ban pa enti na ya na emu se wakwa jisika duro no mama nkire sa nipa no esa se tumi bɔ ne ho ban enti no wonyare yare saa ne aye wo ho no no ubenwa bi abetene yade ba ko bi asie bia se ya na se ya na eye da no wate sese wonyare yare saa afidie nsa yade enkomo wa America no ene Europe ni ba bia no me pa chaw enkomo mane me mfa nuro mfria ayako yemes ne DH na ko hwe nuro kura ne ko ano omode bese ne me ba chaw edoso bebre afidie nsa yade nemum ahaban yade ahaban sa yade na uni tumi ni amode a udi agro ahaban ya memede be sa yade no mede ma na mpacho de sa it can never go etimi enko senipa ni 100 ya ebia wo sa mefanse ebia ni ebe kwa be 5 95 netimi enko egita tumi ani abofo mu ho oden ma me papa wosi wa yare ya che wodu yade akini unyanya anu aduru enya Sharp ho Dr. Sharp ho enna medisika atoso se san frɛ na gumanim ase me ma do na anya ye dia na gese me ni do no no e wa se gumanim ase ma me stop kronfo wi ade a me ba ka mo huru no ho enti ma ya duro na anya ya mo obi ante menka se obi hwɛ me ebia wa di me ho nkomo bi a kyerɛ se me ya duro bi ma na anya ya frɛnse Sharp aba na mpa kyɛw onfrɛ Adom baby a so atwa me TV bi so a frɛ communicate me ba anom Fridays ni ade mun communicate no be an voice out ya be send usika ma me papa tie every day bia me ya adwuma me o ka so a me niriva duro enko ba bia gese abrochirefo no a wo mo bi wo no mani papers oni papers a de beba ana beba akwa no na ni sika nkwa akwa na etimi to aduro no be 10 omni ehu ommobo apart from gese wa baka so a me o ka so a every day bia me ya adwuma se yade bi dawo so me hwie sunsum mu ahaban ntimi nim sunsum mu pa ma me papa me nim nyoma wo sunsum seriously di wachi a ye betimi ayi free honom ama hwan de ben atom na ne oni to me ni ahode no ontimi ensa yade enna ma wachi nchina abra ache no obi onuma onu ankasa yarefo dada no akwate no obi nche se obi akosofo obi ho na wonim se o ya adwuma ne ye man fans ru o operate ewo sofo ne nwosrem ofisi ote ne ho a ebia beye ma me papa enkoyeye sa na ya edu ba bia etie odofo wutie men wakina bre bibi wate etie ache me ya doma na nyame se frɛ Adom ha ni odi aye no ofra wonu ankasa mema niska se wa frempo se me ye duro ma anye ye no ye se yade bia chronic yade bia ye sa yade amesi ye nsa na mabodi akro eye tre achacha kwata ena kompo sa yade no pe ene anye ena mumu obi emumu no akasa dada no emum osan kasa antikoya ye betimi aya amanase ya ye de ben kasa no asan aba ama no mami papa condemn stroke ye enra brown na be pomado do ne ye jigu ho ye ani agegu ho ya jego omo mo ato omo do omo poma eba hwi change ni ade me pa cho bebire kwa condemn stroke kwa wuti hwi chemu wa noti nsu e betima ya mo asore anante kidney problem hole in heart liver problem me duro me wa duro ntino me duro nchiri bibia me ma duro sesia me ma odi aduane bia duro yade ni nti yetua na ade no nka kwa nka yetua aduane me pato me duro nchiri bibia adi wosi DDT ekum nipa aso sia onum kakra bi eba to nti ande enku DDT eku nipa ubaka so obi mfan fra aduane unka so obi mfan fra aduane me ba cho eya nansesam medro enchiri hwe me modro me ma diabetes edro sesia 1 hour ta me ma udi asichire obetima we nam bia ope ye pressure kidney problem hole in heart epilepsy ulcer cancer yade bia gise wan fa mai ho e na odi yade e ba me hono ma edi 50 years ya me mfa ho eno anso opese me sadi free hono me yade e be e de man
ti dog
every day bi aso me ya adwuma me waka asoa oba me hono ma fa ka asoa ka no asi overhead na ase usi overhead na ase a no afaka eco new market no waka se obesi wo ADB bank usi wo hono ma uko anim kakra bia on right fitting shop bi wo hono Dr. Sharp ni wo mo ene share wo oba consultation 200 Ghana cedi bu ahun kakra ka ho oba ye ma ye start ahun bu anu ye hwe ne ya start amuaduro oji medura me pa ko ya busi akura ba wajapade akura ba kwakoton no aba betoa so sa de tie number se na wo TV na nim no WhatsApp de ende ma mo hwe bet ni aye bonda bia 0266 14 another 14 6 9 0266 14 another 14 6 9 050 554 19 96 050 554 19 96 sharp numbers no
sa nyami sha dog yada say papa panti Dr. Sharp eno no de one modin kwa na opemu nchiremu a ofre numbers ya obeje so na fe wayi ano de amma na mame fasanka boyi entwem snake egusu e kai yen ya carpenter for mason for pragia uba ne obi adwuma bi a wa nkasa wo ye so ton bidie wo tomatoes so wo ton de Mr. snakes abie seed fa ho ko hyem kraw sika no bia na ho de utime koba pa beto brebi na ho de ni ho sa sika na wo de to snake ho no eno na wo mre wa no nkokra bre me ba beboa wonti emayiwa ne mrante wa mo hwe yensa bre ni sika no wo no keke na mum kraw bi bosumi bia fa bi koto ho na snake enkram fama wo from 50-60 wakọ retirement hono me hona wanyine no na sa sika no so ahwe wato wunu ama wo de odibedie na wanya bed na ma emusua call snake office bia wunim then wo mu eni ensa wo so na fra 0302261162 0302261162 Franco Trading Enterprise phones papa efie ene ho ope Nokia Samsung iPhone smart TVs a range from 32 to 55 inches e bi wo tabletop fridges and so Franco e wo bi ye wo Franco air condition so wo e bo adwuma pa CCTV cameras no so ye wo bi fa bi bo office na fa bi bo ufie baby wo bia na timi amo monitor de ekoso e wo ho Franco number eni 0246422338 0246422338 and 0555939311 0555939311 now on Franco Trading Enterprise for Eddie Enkomo Dominion Herbal Powder so number 1 immune booster edro boy empa me ahoden stronko immune system no wo form a yare bia na ebeso so na hodi wo mu a yare bia ntimi ne osunko nem ti yare bia wontume na wo spinal cord wo problem diabetes mojabroso no ye Dominion Herbal Powder ni bi na mu de wo hia no pa wo ni di ya wo hia warm water na wasa Dominion powder ni biagum no anom no empty stomach eye na adwuma no ye wo Dominion herbal ointment so e wo honam ne tutu eye o ya twetwewa fa bi na fa twitwi ba bia eye o ya no so bo hu an say ahoden aba frɛ Dominion 4 was 0249591843 0249591843 and 0543158195 na dodo no ukọ Angels Dominion Herbal Center no won kokwa obenya bi nkran ha opedodo to a Repart Ventures na Boache Herbals Angels Herbal Shops bi ho Ekus Pharmacy wa Shaman ho so benya bi Little George Health Shop Waterma Kofoduan so Gapson Pharmacy Delight Pharmacy Ohene Nana Herbal Owusko bi ene Central Market ne ne hwe ni ho nyina obenya bi Suhum so Tony K Pharmacy Achimodan na ya Provision Store Kennedy Drug Store bi ewo ho na Giza Pharmacy was so many ho so benya Dominion Herbal Powder ne ointment no 12 years eba for wontumi enum bi oba pemfo na abofretia wonofo no so wontumi enum bi ntiade wo mo eni ensa wo so hada be makwan na ye nkomodi ahodo anopɛ no medi besie medi de afia amankwa tamaklo nyamenka obi aho omo obi aho ban na me kwasinsia de asemidika etwaso
Yaba munya mache makwaba emfa emra Badwam Jumere so on Adom TV. DSTV channel 280 Go TV channel 119. Adepato na yankwa beja fuatna se emfa pense muntu aso emfa emma. Because say adepam eguso ekos na this time yabebom cry say wo a wote jama soup esiw niema. Tie. Se woto a ne hono no mento ntwene. Boa enum ano 5. Ne fabra Adom TV okokoblemle achade ho epese de man nya de ketwa achade pa ya hyehyɛ suwan mu a ye de emma se oyusu jama soap e de su de ma no enya de ketwa eno su ne soap ba ko a wo de si ade a empa ne ma ani ade pam season kwesi ade gine mo nwure no na pepepe on Adom TV kwekwa na nura me no di komo about Ghana chichire Ghana kanko especially on Galamsey fight. I'm fanko Kenya se number 1. Ehwe ade yesi go honom. Be se nanan ma yefo chire kwan ye fa so a ye kutia Galamsey. Enye kwan politicians no fa so ne bia. Kenya se number 1 ohene a yese oni ho akodom Galamsey na ye tu na frade die so. Enam no kase ye tu na frade die so. Hwe kwekwa na me chire asemi.
Galamsey on pay.
Yeah.
I'm a bomb. I'm a first. I just don't want I just say. Yeah. From my hand for wow, yes, I do. But you are yeah. I can't know what you mean. Committee man by any kind of thing. Yes, that committee man by you. I'm saying, yeah, committee money about to show you. I'm saying, no, yeah.
Wonam sansem nso ade futuo ema mpanifo a womo mpatem ho se womo enhwe se womo beboa amampuntu aba won empatem wosande tudwa se ono etu anamon ade ahwe se Galamsey ebe firi mpatem ho no enipa bi ani nye ho nanso no wono de obeye bia se ne obeko atia Galamsey e won mpatem ho
Komia obedi a obo akonya no bai. Yeah. E man na modi agbeja ye nse no. Yeah. Si me nsa se tie nan. Yeah. Na kokko kanya se na mutugu ye se bibi pepe. Yeah. Enu ka kan ya moni kanya se na maka motai. Yeah. So na mo shishasi.
Eti se wa hu. Ohina ode no akodom Galamsey. Se da bia nka se o kiro. Se obi ye ohina woni a policefo ya etietie fom ede ma no. Obi ye ohina but obi yabana msinia owa police fu e wona se a omutietie nsem ebo na mane o dai sekihiem bi ase etimsi na no otumfu kan wo se oyo ohene na se Galamsey koso asas na so onya awe a you don't deserve to be a chief sema mpani ni bre pa se na ma infubie ni abre enei about the fight against Galamsey and make a cry, you wouldn't make a claim. Make a say, I am for the crown and bomb more. That's any politicians here. See, near Bresse, ye be ko ne tia galamsey a eni kwa se de ya mafafa ene ye kutia galamsey ene ne de mrase aba ene ne se de hihye aba enhye na ko sisei ene si am ye ni amre ni enya friends and family madam fuwe de ntimi ka wasoma enye ye dia we should stop ya da me kan me say sene ye ku galamsey ene no enfa so bi eni so ye boka ene to wo man wo keke e ka ne ebo ene ato galam stop ene ato boat way ene ato way but still galamsey no e koso because one na ye ne ye nua ne namfo ye timi kom asem ye timi nya kodu enka se simesi obenten aye o madam fo na so still betwe na so se de na no tufo ye yen oso hina mi tu na firi ade de yesu eye madam fo pon de me na tibanhia enso ne wo ye no ma sentiment tumpo etuatu no basi man penis na damfo na nwie na wo fa se so ntimi kana asem ya ye nya kana ye bo galamsey ho no na fa so bia maso yes ya to galam stop yes ya to bashi ya ye wo trackers ni ade but the net effect of nema na ye to na ni de na fo sem abusuasem etimi kunti ade a ye bonka ye nya ready a let's save Ghana some cities ediri akwasinsia so me ani amra ye be koso atre ABC di musa pense mo bre ena so asemi edika ye be braso se ni abadwafo betra se atwe enkomo na wahunu ne ekoso it was statement bi we had more free Ghana Police Service eno me kan ba ko chiro no pay update bi aba yen so me kan e de a chiro na ya have video bi miti kakra bi na wahunu ne ekoso Ghana Police Service mo ba me kan say still sort of for say wadum pempenso free say uhia so betwia osne contribution ese mpacho enema eye akachiri na obe nyina etiawa ene se cosnet fo akache so ye wanka so adwuma so ye fitani uye tailor uye seamstress uye dey Mr. Wada ko state for akache no mu entimi emu aso twianka krakrakra efato wonom oku ahun jim your 60 years a omo so atimi ahwe kopem so bo ade beto ne sa ade afro enenye wo mu a eye bosumi adwuma nkwa na twia seneto obi bia se fata no mekofa de bia fe the seed wo do ko makache no mu church mu entro 0302 611 622 0302 611 622 cosnet for akache omeboa amanche mu bia ohia efa seed hu bia no nsa atimi aka abejafo atena se Eric Ejay a member of the NDC National Communications wo ko bono so mantam so a on a deputy communications officer ma NDC amayoko no sanso na kwampoku AKCID abanam sini wo amanse south
di no mo ya ama o se waya kidinu e Clement Opoku jem we se mama kwampoku CID ya jaje ya
when o digi momo Clement Opoku jem obiya feel well
ati do ga
yeah semo obeba bobo
waya food
any waya food any passport
na say edin ise onu so ni din yetu on say your kwampoku CID
baby odene na no baby odene na man
and the National Cathedral Board ho ana
baby kwampoku CID ni book bi
okay menim say be Cathedral Board
eno making kakra bi a police for pen for any pay abonten no mu chem say a police for me ensan ya bo mu din ewo leaked bugre na bu tape ne so no ya interdicte
na bu gate
and pay krata for a free police for enchen aba uhwe TV so the krata no etwodom obetimi follow up na ya kenkan or say update on police interdiction of 3 officers following the interdiction of COP George Alex Mensah, Superintendent Emmanuel Eric Jebi, and Superintendent George Asari in connection with the leaked audio tape, the police administration would commence in disciplinary proceedings into their conduct upon completion of the ongoing probe by Parliament. In order not to prejudice the ongoing probe, the police administration has suspended the interdiction. near say enura na no ye interdict omo but an opinion please for eke say omo suspending interdiction no all because parliament a start here or probi eye ensem na aban. Now there's also another video here appears here honorable attaching ekaye ese enkomodie ekos no masenya video bi ye no so ye leaked ewo komodie ya ekos no emu for us yensa aka video bi ye ko ye be mo ahwe said the side video no that was when you see Bugri na abu say oni krofo edi nkomo how IGP Dr. George Akufu Dampare ehwe no ona eka na asem any how contract bi omo enyanya ewo quickly yehwe video na Bugri na abu epiem no
I'll tell you I've gone my shit.
No, we will not go anything and look. Your share and our share need to come one place.
What I'm saying is that because I wanted to tell you.
We are telling us to shoot.
Where that
Listen, I come. Are telling us when you get your share, we will know.
Look, I don't want old man to know that I'll come and use lie to him. He give the appointment I was going for my back kick. That's how it's going to look. I don't want that thing to happen. But that's why I'll call you. Come. Let me if you are coming to keep quiet. You are telling lies again.
So now you are going to, he's going to say it. He wants
me what I want. And I'm also assuring Chama is that.
You listen.
Woman, listen. I swear God, what I plan, like Chairman know my head. I swear God. Then from Monday to Friday, because our entry shows that they will give you money. If they didn't give us, I'll not come here. I swear, I'll go and tell President, we brought you Dampare for you. They give you contract, and the Dampare do this. So Olma should not trash you.
Not trash
Do.
you.
Fine. And I'll go and let the issue go.
He said he's calling SK, so
let's SK, I went there with you. Yes. When I came out, what did I tell you in the car? Didn't I tell you that Michael has surprised me? That Dampare said,
giving the money. Yes.
Didn't I?
Yes.
That I should call him. Since then, I think pick up.
No.
So if I don't know anything, then I was shocked. And that's why I wanted to call you. My brother, this Kamanga people shouldn't be there. This is when I went to see Dampare. This is what he told me. Because Michael came here yesterday. What did I tell him? I told him I didn't see Dampare. Is that not what I told him?
Yes.
So I don't want to deal it to him. And later you blame me, I'll blame you.
Okay.
So what Dampare told me yesterday, he has signed the contract with Michael. He has paid him money. I was expecting him to tell me, how am I going to get our share? This is what I wanted to go into the matter. So I told him, when I asked was, but why Michael didn't say anything? And you yourself too, you told this boy that the money will come to me. Was it Ben Kofi? Ben Kofi. The contract was awarded to Ben Kofi, and Ben Kofi gave the contract to him. So it is not the contract, me and him, we know our IGP giving him the contract. That contract didn't come. Look at what they are telling me now. So this particular contract, the job was given to Ben Kofi, and Ben Kofi also intend subletting it to him. So I say now, so tell me, are you still bringing any money for me to give to the boys, or what? Because you said you got some calls from even the vice president of people to call you. Me, I don't know how they get your number, but me, I called them. I called your sister. Your sister told me the contract was rigged. They are now going to produce production. Now, I want to argue to say the contract was completed. If you don't want trouble, bring the money for me to give to the boys. Otherwise, I cannot guarantee you the problem can come. So he told me that today is Monday. He said today he's going to meet Ben Kofi, the person the contract was awarded to. They will discuss it and see they can get some money. So it's not even a
yeah. And you will go on other assets and so hodom. It's your queen, you have one crack, ama. Well, when you echo, edifa. Honorable MC, Boko, dear.
Nyamiadum. Maybe I will be MP.
Okay.
But Giddy say, yeah.
Persuasive to say.
Nyamiadum, Hoboko.
Input to a honor to say.
Fantastic. The same question, radio, you know, crowd also to have bisa. Because I'm put to a question in our nitia.
But maybe I'm a tenant.
It will be some Magana for Nyamiadum Puntu, Kui. And you know, video I will be mentiasi. You say, Eric has in the Pabonini Bakruma, who be at Nanka, Puntu Kosoa. I will mention more or say the canvas and Casabi better. Hey, Kawapamo, I mean, free. Nanka be Boda make canvas. So the SC and the better Hannah, who be video, say, will be there or recording. In the first one, record because I have without the person's knowledge. Wrong. They say the era of recording, we are near recording. It is a more video course, and you're more careful. Because I'm here, because he was a few Muna, not was in the essay.
Video coin at the assembly.
Okay, just say I'm fast, I'm not going to be able to see. Now, what is the better crying? Oh,
enough for more
video course.
Now, by we know some are reckless. A ban economic sense and recklessness, every aspect. So serious. Me channel. Oh, we are say. I can fool baby say, oh, real for son. Now you're then transfer.
Now how dear.
Also for a boy for an insanity in the panza sepao. Ure muyi ni sinika cray. Papa you didn't true Gumahama's opposition here press conference or Casacronim so didn't tro. You trusted him. But bringing the whole book in Abuna American Assembly. And now we're bringing the whole administration down. This bunch of criminals in government. No, it's criminal enterprise. Remember, where the million no, you will never be a kind of secret. By a bahai, no, let me tell you something. Because I didn't see. Look at the message I received. If you see something, say something for you.
Yeah.
Almost send them out. Every day, must send you a message. What's up for Korea and the national security minister and the security couples in this country? Look at what they are doing. And is that what we want? Now, no wonder, Adia Bawumia Bedi and Nimubi Jigu, head of economic management, head of economic management, Majigu, head of police council, not the chairman. The vice president, the chairman for the police council, he's a mess. Now, Eric said, and I'm saying, what are you telling me? This tsunami next police administration, and a vice president by law. Or your head of the police council. Now, I can't tell me, said, yes, not to 2 years. Don't go there.
Council members, Vina.
COPLS means on council. No, don't parent council. Who is the head of the council?
Eric, but you.
I am telling you, sir. But we are doing
okay, but maybe. But let me say.
Mujiji trophy for Kroma, and you see the mess in our country.
Or can ask them. And
I am talking of Ghana Police Service, not Yaudie. Okay. So you are telling me, say, me Eric J, party executive. Not me Kokasim Binaji, who I am saying this for now. Who is the leader of our party? Me ba Jimano, Jai said Jumana Yaw, and wow. Kwasi, I didn't have question time.
Eric J.
I am a Ghanaian. Police for share, Kwanso, Ameba, or what to Tony Motu, Mutu traffic, who you trim cranny. Where the Moye?
Please forbid the misconduct.
Who is the head of the Security Council in this country? Who is the head of the National Security? And who is the head of the Police Council? So you are telling me some morning show crew, we money leader or damano. I dear Meso, ha, na kwesi chimpo bia busano, onyo bia musano. more report. I'm on a channel of maybe I'm more voice out of grievances. And this thing is happening. What me my bugri na the tower we could try and not here kunjam. Na mo count my no sem basa. Look at this. Reckless leaders in charge of our country.
Yeah, that's it. Kwasi, there was a you say in the first place.
There was a Kwasi see, I know I like Eric. What I make count and the free. Oh, you need film. Chairman, I some crown chairman.
There was a Kwasi Minumi who Eric the own who be say in the first place. Say menu shaku komni e bon koma it me di enkomo bia e pbia yeah by a better radio you see and by a better tv so yentimi nka nsem bia e betimi akwa abonten a bia e de hoye yo ne nyoma beba nti se bugri na bute eho na mpanyimfo no so ka hu no mu di omo nkomo no they have relationship omu di nkomo woni obi hia anopai mu se mu di nkomo o ba bi eno no nche se sa nkomo no betimi di aba ha. And she said, "Paponi ni be frame no recorded the better bontia. It doesn't cast a spell on Obia or nothing baby. If
you are wrong,
by extension, you are wrong. Eric, I'm not wrong.
Eric,
by extension, the police service, Ghana Police Service, is under the Interior Ministry. Yeah. I didn't see any own stretching arm. Like I said, the Interior Minister. Now you want to just limit it now, like I said, because Dr. Baumia. Ever contest a Muslim Nintino, Bibia Dr. Baumia, Bibia Dr. Baumia. You don't do that. You don't do that. It's no matter than Dr. Baumia. The Interior Minister is in charge of Ghana Police. No, what's my whole comment?
No, they are crying funny demon. You come from one police. You don't know. That man or swarm Mugu Tombas. No, who doesn't know? Who cannot credit? Interior Minister. You see what they are doing now? Because my men cannot credit. Some of us, Yameni are doing and the DFE Kuras, you be doing crime. Until you come in Kruma, a be any pet in 20, Bamia 1, until 19. Now, Ghana population over 30 million. Now you see for police for now one constituency to me for 100, 150. Why?
Now,
now you say about we more can't back door. Said you
can't be at your back door.
You people more catch so why?
Eric time no the oil
no can privacy assem on the on the swam citizen of Ghana. Fair constitution na oko articulate na meaning say right to privacy is there. But assem the content assem na ye can assem. It borders on national security issue. It is our why right now. What we've been a long time. Because as now, remember, to IGP egu. I'm a waba. Remember, and I will take no what we need idea. Yeah, what doc, you will fool, you know. We are full video. And I'm Budima presence with the man. What am I saying? So, Osha Assam more kind in the video now. It borders on national security because the night, on my name, Boko Kranta one tower by intimate so no papa nipa ya hwe omonkwa na no ada police for chenko for tesa no ye to omutu okumomo me am krum nkranza abrante ya ye koche na tu niema na esisi ni doso it is a mo kwotena instead some betena se adwen the security of our country na mo connection mine for so the mechanic bia mo the deals market deals are the IGP office why
Eric wakasa wi ha
che
so I can't hear you. I can't 15 minutes.
Time now. The time now.
But see, my main friend free. My main chair her for. Na main chair no juma ya for so. Titru pa ancha no so no baby anakase pa beko. Beko amansia south na my chair. Me krum fo nyina. Cause my main fa IGP leak tape ne ho sensema ya shase se ye kan. And letters aba. Interdiction and the suspension of interdiction. I say, which is so when question be what now what DVT.
And I
2 years child no more sana coach
there be no time I room when you
there is what started being your mistakenly no think I will to was now copy we as an over chat. You know if we say and you also mistakenly no child no more I saw quack finish it you know. To watch a bear for life and you can 2 minutes to stop work. Yeah. It's the other side. I want people that's not Please,
the all cancellation and not cancel.
Cancellation cancelled. Interview policy for you.
Okay.
You can say interdiction suspended. I mean, who is a afterthought, but it's all good. We are saying administratively, no be I am from so. Moti here is here, Mama 8 o'clock. You will do her almost 7 something. You can finish as a cry, Casa. And you administratively, most my from so. Be beside my casual program being a buyer overlapping. Yes, I administrative lapses, yen in a offices, mistakes, but mistakes no obey no correct. Also correcting in such a way, say, Nippon so. And honey panny be. I was expecting the second letter nearby, okay. Say either at the tail end and I say introduction. Okay, kind I render an unqualified apology.
Okay.
To Omona the affected persons, no. Now any and even to the public, any inconvenience. I almost first letter na cause biano or panhocha near the woman. If you say Opro penifo ya bo mudi ewo and krata obia wabusia. And it's strange, say mere coincidence or say they you. When you saying you'll be the judge. George Akufu Dampare, George Alex Mensah, and George Asari. And you know, I said George for the way George not if you are, is not who he. I say mere coincidence to say they but the whole union I said now may expect to say Bianca. The second letter now, a damage control, the corrections, no, and no banner, a bit chim now patcho. Na who reason tia o ma chen ade na sign first letter na buy na interdictive woman and state me ma unse da who reason papa bia state yenti ade so we were all left on our own. The Lord is our shepherd. Ne nyina yam ko forum shopping obi an ko hwe de o susu se anhwa eno na ama na ye nti de dodo na adwun ko si so ye the parliamentary probe na ekoso no and dodo na adwun ko especially me adwun ko si no so. And based on that, now they be interdicted. You can say interdicted be and chesi inedi. Let's also get it correct. Say onyinan chen na yehwehwemu. But the point is answer na obi ya ade obetima ka jen say kwasi janchen yehwehemu ne say yehu yetimi establish mo kan say a prima facie case be say against you so we dey bibi no kakra bi egum answer na interdicted. And so based on which principle and at the first letter no police administration general so the issue say omo interdiction. They see then the parliamentary probe. There's a parliamentary probe na who jina so dia. Na also so ya bo wusu wudi wo mu panyina wo dade na no ya bo wudi wo say okay ho then the natural justice principle will come to play.
Okay.
What I say? The natural justice principle to me you cannot be a judge in your own course. Because you bo wudi wo mark ka also hu sensem kakra wo na say wo so do ho aba.
Yeah.
Then who suspended who interdicting pana enyeye what I say odi otram pattern no sa no mokano enti untumi mfa wo asem ne fa wo ho then wo na wo san hwe ama ya suspending pana no ne wo anya asem no emfa enti I'm sure and me who letter no mre no asa me kan say police administration no ne o legal department and nim command for you know bia no mutu mfuka no manti but I'm glad say at the end of the day no Ghana for so a chain police for agency so because say watch your letter by your kind of analysis be an better unko proceed I mean ko bi da by ne ka proceed for asem say near the tone say ni e kan ne hu be bia no krewo and thumbs up Ghana police service say be ya de na e be kan na obehu say the why no so nya na wa twen assign ye ko anim susu ni etufo commander Dampare IGP one ne mpanyufo e wona se omoye adwuma ezi se kunya beto ho akosi obi a prebi oprea na wanya ne eventually ye appointed ba ko ne de mana obi a edin adwubreo because afiachi ni abufunu bio ye jai ye nyina ye di akire ze ko ba se o ma aka ne wa akire no so ye nse we se ma nya de ya ne wo so mema wo ho akire me sabotage wa na ama adwuma na ye den eno na minia Eric eka se it borders on national security because emu anjoa yenso ye ho ntoye and it is something I was saying in my agony ekoso and you see a lot of allegations and statements here and then oba transfer will be why we Dampare onye nyame onye Yesu Kristo nkwani ni Paul better as so wanye mfonso but so far as any paid mfonso dey be However, if the wire na obian who obeba say IGP be na about on your transfers. I'm sure they will all make transfers. Yeah, say. Certainly me call a secretary or officer. Yes, I moved here. Different person came. It happens. But there are some so bad IGP down Paris say how you also manage the situation. It's also important. Sometimes doing the right thing at the wrong time is still wrong.
Could it be say some of the police officers in the field say much police and Bukunim. Dampare bada be ya peja no so dia kodu sam pepe so say. Ena edidi sa enema we nyina mo ede eba. Because ohwa na etinye say dampare nya ade. Dampare nya. Dia na dampare aya. Won shada entity dampare aya enye.
Also who follow probe na me follow pa omutimi bisa question bi na respondent na so we do best senka e be in camera. So she tell you say omo won nsem bi a bi a mo person ye dey omo ka. However, nsem so the fact say the pana can say no correct. It may be mere allegations obi to me can asem e the two bi so president wo hoyi. President na appoint me. Mi sina na emu na mi di djuma amano. Bibia mi ye bia no it is attributed to the president. Me so me wo ho no my assembly members wo ho a omo so ehye mase a me ni omo ye adwuma. Obia de mimi din ye bibi say the mimi de premier president din mu de ye ade no. To assembly member bi ko betima ko kan ba bi say oh this na asoma say mra me ya de bi ko na onim ho hwe. The time make us asem ne say and someone papa chief bugri na abu aka wo mu na yekohu president yeko president on ube kom kra no na bia the whole year kra na ni kra hu president. It's not easy to get to the president, but just that by virtue so a former regional chairman asemi obeka bia wo ntimi me president me boa o ba me wo sie na me catch you say me co president to obegye because on appoint me so bia na me president ni appoint me and e nyoma amanfo no bi is onya ye panyi a amanfo be didi udini ho o be didi udini ho a asema amaho dia problem ni ho but problem nya ba ho dia anana wo be twa just there bi nipa kura ni say na president no kura wonim no until let's not take it as the gospel truth say a son say bugri na abu na eka asem ni nti say okohu president no ko president one president will meet nti no kre another president is in the known or president is supporting whatever is doing enye no kre because ye nyina panyifo ye didi regional minister say ma didi ni no sa kwa dibi o wa e ba na nhemu a e bro so a oh minister na semi mayo who's minister so ntimi nkwa no yes no me na betima ko minister ho yes and we all do it panyifo ye show ma no wo gwa Eric TA wo didi abafo di wo sa ni class wo didi mi di wo sa o ti aka wo didi mi di wo wa be do fazer wa be do ma show di bia na onya issues bi ni ade also this is me ni I don't know no kwa na so ma no gasa akra I will come action.
Eric,
this was suspended interdiction of 3 officers.
Maybe some pick it from baby Orlando. Okay. Kwame. Some so news am de Kwame.
Oh Kwame no you kakra fra.
Dey matter.
Dilute no.
So we MPP need to be special. On say we are na ye wo no. Ade bia wonim wo daache no. O ya no why careful. Anza okase nyina otofa bo pese o kire se obi etimi di obi din wonti ku bi se omo brage keke yeti kruma na bugri na butwin table si na nim ye press conference say John Mahama the Predo Abraben Mr. Bish Pajaro in election meba such a chronic liar akokra umpeni mfiewi utimi ya ade we ma MPP communicators so mu okruma say John Mahama bribe bugri na abu so the third person na mo trusting it then. And also a quarter recording or no recording we are president Kwan or the man. Man penisu intimi keep secret or the man and leaky. Now some na ba ne ka o be ka obi didi obi din. Na mo connection man for ya ka se mo ni di Ghana for din. Mo bo man na you are not sad. Kwasi meje ono an constitution say me so on esu ambra me dem a layman on e de bare. Okay. Oba wonya mi bi mama no. Okwa article 200 a kasafa the police service. Or say there shall be a police service of Ghana. Number 201 now. Or say there shall be established police council which shall consist of A, the vice president who shall be the chairman, B, the minister responsible for Internal Affairs, that is the Interior Minister. C, the Inspector General of Police. D, Attorney General or the representative. E, lawyer nominated by Ghana Bar Association. F, representative of retired senior police officers association. And the last point in so President Wakwenya so appointed in Kofomi in the Omokokao. Into Munina or Mobano Denini Bawumia. He is the head of the police council.
But that is not in
now challenge your constitution.
Me challenge
it. If in some way cause police administration and you know. My question is audio new leaky and a babontina na parliamentary probe in start here no. But we being the head of the police council action Ben will take here.
Maybe will take here by you.
Oh Jai, kwasi Jai. Action Ben will take here. Oh there may no that man or a mess in our economy every last yes mess. Wow. So even the police administration no kra na a portion of the economy na se hwe na so nwemra no. Look at it now. What did they do? And now a whole police administration to meet Rokata Nurabase. You are suspended interdicting conformiensa. At the end, I know one signed the Kratabase Yan Kayan Suyaboa.
Cancellation council.
Bah. Now, one is interdiction, your bonnet. Because your word you mamuhe. Because you bet me the Sunni by be a dear. Ebi a Becca's Yensha won't see mu. Near Shimu Conum pending forces to see a Mawatan Chaya. Near Shimu, we now who cross Jenny at Obanya bonnet. And now, assembly of public domain obi anim say the police for na na bone wo mutim say ni patre na ye from no asare utim say pettiness e kuno COP asare also on the COP Alex Mensa also on the omufie UP4 who is no politician or police service intin attention na MPP. So after watching the video, you could clearly see Zenka was a pamo more than that. Yes. And you see, the police administration couldn't take any powerful decision because they are all MPP cronies in Omugu police administration. Oh, wow. Yes. Commander Asare or no chain party agent. I was of no money doing someone. Then COP Alex Mensa. Time I hear quite I was so mutunko for to know in charge of operations. He was part. A BM or no cry audio no so MP do over quite na was in Kubi. What again do you need? Yanka say police need me ya manyo semo ba onye ready say be ya manyo semo yi atade ne fama ye Peter Tobu ye owo interest so ye member of parliament. What did he do? One resign honorably. No, he resigned. He resigned. He resigned because police administration momra no what me call voluntary retirement mebo yeah. And on wako wo de on call you wako kan tape no so say abana e wo ye nimu aye ba beto no say dan pare wo ho impediment ma wa ban no muntimi break the 8. Such a wicked mentality. Why? And you think this is something small, eh? I am telling you the gospel truth. Next election I you respect police for na mode omobeba no because ma hye ho na mode omoba. Me matena Adam Paris started in the cosmetic policing. Ma criticizing it from day one. Because IGP your ko baby make a food in echi. Camera food in echi obi aka ho bi. Oh why you say we real sport na wato Guinness. Oh why you say or chikala wele. Or started say man the way this man is behaving in this country. Or assume portfolio be a very you know you pay in the same fans. I don't know. And this is how he started it. Within the police service, he himself near me a killings are hold a coso. Damn paranda your watch, who doesn't know? Ah, me chrome near branch here. You're watching and cranzam bony to a say the neighbor man. Damn parawakasa found. None what that test on 4 year, you caught 2 mutu more. Damn parawakasa found. And these guys, damn pare. And name who? These guys, eh? Damn pare you clean. COPLS omunyo bia nye clean now JB dan kwa du ye kum ni ya na ye start ya na ye kan sim said bia na ye invite dan Paris won kasa o kasa ye nim sam okruma. What is happening in this country and the way they are doing things nyame be buso mo mako because you can't get position and be as a one why you smooth operator be te corner so boni nko na the supervisor but Eric me dem anu see from no if the president Akufo-Addo so onim ho hwea onim de ho hwea de ekoso no so onim ho hwea bugri na bubo ni din wo tape nim so no nkwa no record the man ade na by now mun issue disclaimer say the bugri kan nye nokre baby said the presidency do not belong to your mafia group e Ghana for there so if indeed what the man is saying in the tape ni video na ya hwe no nya president sanction ya e de na hold ni so be issue statement say ignore bugri na bu ignore him. But because the connection man bugri na bukwaji na wa be say samo omunti no how can he talk Eric what the abana your business baby amoton ne ma enka IGP office you did ho Eric J kwasi jai
Who so here Badwam on Adom TV. Every say member boys na disca game pack. Every day so pay draw and address. Why? So when we name abamu emu kra because we are dumienu and we no sia. Ebesa draw numbers. Koso de twa ubedi. Mo audience e ba mutirim kwa. My idea. Eric, last one
on this police administration issue, into the the letter about say redraw interdiction yate. But kwasi we are the nkaneke na nado dan kwa kufuado or be suspended dampare. Yes.
Oh masa.
Mama o and then kosi ne na otwe. One say you revoke be more the suspension, but dampare ankasa be suspended no. Oh,
within 1 week.
Based on
because nkofo no nkomo na omukodi omu party their interest na omu pay and I say dampare impediment for the party.
Okay.
Yes. Inti me say market here kwambogu. Wo kwa say dissect chairman. On be suspended dampare. Efi ne kosi ni na otwe. The mekan.
Say a free ekosi.
Oh yes.
1 week time.
Na ya suspended dampare. No IGP ni akase won twen ho kakra.
Hey.
Yes, Akufo Addo bibi anya ne den. Apart from so ntimi monipa, ade bi obetimi aye. Yes. Omunim yamo. Where we've gotten to. Oh, mark my words. Dampare you
within 1 week time.
Oh, me say suspending area. Jai. Ah. Suspending area. And I wa. Me nche so nya ne 3 days.
Who here free 1 week? Because asimo can yes.
Di agro ne. Ene se mpie nkokora na suspended.
Enti kosi so no see. So na 1 week na hwan na. I don't also yam show. Ono oya djuma presidency and oya na Asante be there too.
Na ma connection ma for squad we me kwa.
Onya djuma ho nti ne nsem na
video.
Conjectures ne ade.
O ga ze eboni din o.
Better say kwa me hwe electoral commission against 5 political parties in court on limited voter registration exercise. Out of the over 30 political parties in Ghana, emunum eso money in the electoral commission no ho. See registration only one or district offices. Almost feel say and the car ebeja Ghana for. Intenu sunti the be manam su bia ma ebimu kra enko register. Because na ye can say one me say and so share your voters ID card le pa. Say ya be only limited to elections. So bu onas nani enye hu bebre pa na se paso boka. No dia kokko train ya bra enye card or the bank dia koya that transaction ya ene wonko. And e be affect your election. It's electoral commission court nhwe no ka ho be.
Was it what's na can mentia say you say obi say on meye registration bia na ni nye abato no ho nti ene o ma meye no woni nye ho dia say ye nye hu e ba koye I mean pe wo wasem na wo
omo hwe how it will affect the election number of people no betimi a kire omo adwen as to why na be ye mampani wo Ghana no
because obi na ni nye hu koye kra onto onto. Okay, that's one point. But me person who easy for no omo asem what is their omo issue here the intina omo epeso omo ye no constituency base I mean district base
omo issue ba ko kese pai sikasem omo sikomo hwe ni muso be ye adwuma no enye nyina na abedunti no so omo manage ye available to them we be ma exercise no so no aye kama
at the expense of
resources,
the Ghanaian
resources constrained.
That is it.
Okay, because he say o hwe ye mra pon na di bu manum na o hwe constitution na free be bill of rights.
Okay.
Free article 12 konyina kusi 1920 there about yes. One of fundamental human rights in United and voting is a right to vote. And yet compulsion. See a be show say kokotoaba debi. Enuti na osumbi wo man mu a omodom so mo toaba. So mo pe development. Untimi hye no. Them try to say. Aha. But se nipa no so pese okoto dia.
Sombe.
Minim some kroba osumbi wo Ghana. Se nipa no so
mo nyero mo toaba.
Oh mo toaba.
O say yehu afo. Na no say
yehu afo na obo mo kutia.
Okay. enti se obi nso wo ho a na opese okokoto aba no so a untumi mfa bibi nsi no kwan se o mane nkoto aba if I say multimedia mo boss kosichum fa say election day esi juada untumi nka nje se kosi bra adwuma me nkoto aba obasa utitia ofa
se pese me koto a
pese okoto nko ade a osa ukona okokoto nti say hu these two angles na fe hu ba bia asem no ye beka fa abato enye force ana obi nso pese okoto a untumi mfa nyoma nsi akwan mu se o mane nkoto. These are the first legs I was saying to me. Now, if you for so muniska a mo betimi aye no mbebiem. Because the best practices na menim say ye koye nimu democracy no it's over 30 years in Ghana here. 1992 ne shase na yaba na babedru from opaque ballot box to transparent ballot box to photo ID, thumbprint, fingerprints to photo ID, black and white to colored, say biometric verification and what have you. Not just say two, and I'm also be watching or share on my Ghana as a case study in terms of electoral reforms. But boy, on some might say I am and best practices. Me, I believe in best practices. Say over the period, say na easy for no ayano. Say by limited registration, be a bit me a boy. Say nana omoyeno. Ye district centers nkwa. And I be a ibium kakra se be a district be a be say be an electoral area base. Ko ba me ho me wo 26 electoral areas and the wo. Enti nkaye electoral area base the whole district no. Hantin ke benya 26 points. You bit me I register. The thing me can say ni say her best practices no na say over the period no say ni e na me achieve ya. Na say ndey say ade district centers nko a ebe hadwene de nche be na hadwene because de nche be na hadwene ni say my district for instance ufri aboaboso eba mansodibia which is the district capital you will have to drive a minimum of 3 hours 30 minutes before you get there. Oh yes, emuwa emuwa
baby I see district office
ukro mu mampon beni ufri beni ukro minimo ufri beni ba mampon kroma emuwa. No, that is how districts are carved. Yeah. You know, because baby, I'm making. Now, me tabo sre me ne ayi na boshie. Upper denture ayi diaso. Me ne na boshie. And so if you tell you say muwa, free diaso, to free central region, ebe ra Ashanti region, muwa. So it happens in almost all the districts. We mo cosmopolitans, municipals here, wo kromu free mo. And because he said. Because obi free home brand say nipa no pese oto aba onya obeto but e bia onya case kan fa ma now afi aba beto politicians so Eric J e wo skanti no be kwa ko faka no da fa nkofo aba amna be register ama wo mo okay and as a member of parliament now within that district no say who seats who pese who maintain seat now then you will have to go the extra mile oba and it's our cost no I mean who say a cost shifting now as a easy for no APA because they say me DC me tiwe na me call for frame so chief you say you register ba baby way or say me peka the for no ba register and also kwa be Sunday stampede be as a pressure be ba center no so unim machines here you see we do any say ajame a freezy why because electronics and you use and you baby who say I was say a quarter asem it's na iPack wo hon time say asem no dem de obeka na make and abeka be fufuro na ofo no mo so mo nko iPack ade no mo nko iPack o say o mo ni electoral commission
sign for constitution
no I no need some no and some you know okay is the iPack no fine obeka ni say any legal framework by binding constitution be the be oh and he said, and Kawin, I pack and come out, bit me at Nasa, didn't come also. Mammy, you see, yes, sir. They all Canadian. Said they all cast our budget. I wouldn't escape. You know, who said, be a budget now, scan out, do an open. Tebesse, so I forgot to brain and you. Nayan share. Nayan train your buying Casa, go buying your account, because a political party now, woman. But I quite a quarter to 7 nights at the BI. I guess trying to be an impediment on the way of the Electoral Commission.
Okay.
And he ever say is no electoral area basis na baby a me benya baako wo ho se be ya nipa no can even walk to the center. Accessibility no aye nanka. I think say say and no be bani enjoy the antagonistic stance na ya taking we are there the is ni be ka bia no so ye be oppose we are say we will not be making headway
cause me that say I think so this is the first time my MPP ni are honest Kwambuku.
Oh
yeah I mean sure
o come on in honest o can the honest
electoral commission sense how he spoke. Na oni ada MPP for ni bisia na said the omokasa udum say Kwampuku ntiase no wasoro pa chen ne nkofo no bebre so ezamoye mass education na okasa kire nkofo
me district chief executive
aban crash penny that is it ba won nkofo na wo form no we fi so mu free form na fro soro no mo nkai no won electoral commission asema ye candidate then aba you say 5 political parties NDC kan ho ye court ni nyina ne se ye de asema akodan court batan se kwanya yisi peso ofaso ye registration no ene ye mra no boy bra enye ntino omonhwe na ofa ye constitution ajade lawyer Kwampuku de bai ya meji ofa na oko article 42 of the constitution e kasafa right to vote or say every citizen of Ghana of 18 years of age or above and of a sound mind has the right to vote and is entitled to be registered as a voter for the purposes of public elections. Into entitlement as a citizen, semre no so utimi ma udin ko krata ye de to abam se wadwen mu da ho na wadi mfie du nwotwe kwa. The same constitution oko article 45 clause 45E na it talks about the functions of the commission. E or say to undertake programs for expansions of registration of voters. That is the EC. Expansion and registration of voters. So the simple question I busa and then say the EC and then nipa entitlement no under article 41 nipa ni benya na e be under 45E no. Expansion there was the EC and obenya na. Eh no. Over the same CR 91 EC edidi ni juma ne ya. In the CR 91 I think regulation 22B. And also kasafa enema I was electoral commission and I read or say regulation 22B of CR 91 provide in designating a place as a registration center the commission shall take into consideration a suitability of place for use as a polling station on election day. Emrane say per the CR 91 no say EC so okwa akotru din a baby a EC betru din no I was say where yetimi ya baby yetimi to aba wo daache meaning say suitable place EC office polling station wo for elections e be then the next one B or say the accessibility that talks about accessibility of the place now and for na ko register no so be so the question is say the men kwa me nyina nkwakura ne tonight me ko me kru ma kru ba ko e friend ya atwene kru ufi ho ba me district capital obetwa be 40 kilometers. It is any partner who feel actually Krumotra 40 kilometers and so Basampa district capital. Now Basampa so lorry fare from Yakini Krum to Sampa near 40 Ghana cedis or Bankwang or Siakobaka another 40 Ghana cedis, 80 Ghana cedis. Say any partner to me bas the whole year no who 200 Ghana cedis dano. Or on the Belgian field doing watching. Aquadano, I was so truly did not exercising a fundamental human right. Yeah, incumbent upon electoral commission say, who did you make the Ben or Mabobuano per the law? And the EC catch almost or no financially in a hoarding of Montino. Mamma for no near for no Usika into a mumu so mamanu who came. Near for Momra Sampa, Nayaba. To say the Nakwambuku can as a computer network in a jam, Nipaten ye be register. Into a no swa, no a copy hotel behind no wada. No was in paid you any D. A dear chan was in this. What sort of stress is this? And what we are saying is a buyam rapon also. The provisions are cited. Because we'll be right, no. I am right, and and in the history of our country, limited registration, we've been see that this is a the last limited registration at Charlotte, again, we no cry the last time you were it was around 1,500 polling stations. A year then, and then the SWAT about 275. say district offices. And the question is, kwasi uko jama enough. Na yesi ye registration wo EC office. No bi aba. Wasi ofi ya atwene krom. Agent no gina ho na ye nipa ba ko ofi mi krom suma ahenkro. Nti say nipa no be dey challenge ni say nipa ni free constituency ho. Kwasi that is the essence in the agent na ade nyina ko ho. And EC should know say voter register no ye ntwere say dey kwaje salary ye dey to aba. Political parties ye so aba na ye dey to. Nti ne ye interested parties no. Nti ade bia na wo ye our interest is core. So you can't tell us say me na ye masudie se me twere din na twere din ni wi a wo de be ma roman for. Nye political parties na be use dey ato aba. Nti constituencies na mo wotiri mu po bone se mo pekon awie mu aye mo ne ma no biem no. Nye se kwa mpoku kasa se ma hu so support ya. Obeko ba bi ya calculation we ha nipa 20 kra na etwa MP 16 votes. This is what we have to do and they can easily do it.
Okay, so
because me district no member kwasi ana krobia no yema agent ba ko free krobia na ono so ko EC office.
Okay, when the
nti say simasi ana obentemba na o si office ma hinkura na erikeje apaja ne sa say wo fifie ben mu bro no ben so na ateme na metimi atese EC etoda munyisu ade no.
But me ready some reports be what my joy online. And let me quote my colleague Koku Asante. Yo ya mani boni oton crime free ma shebe film. Say ordinary so total form no. The electoral commission catch na on so boma mani emi. Easy to proceed with limited voters registration at district offices despite opposition. Na mamin quote Koku ewo ahano. O say Owura electoral commission asemo wa tete on so boma mani ebi eni. Currently they are not considering at all the cost to decentralize the process to the electoral area. They believe that that's a ship that has sailed and that if the political parties and other activists are interested, then they must also do their bit to drive these people out of these communities to their district offices to register. So near Koku Asante and Susu Akote from Electoral Commission tonight, and they say political parties ni feel say how can say the man or man for so me faka and the other sent to have registered there, then they should also do their bit to drive these people out of these
communities. Useless. Huh? Ana James and no nim say Ghana no shares woman or your shareholder. Yet to Kroma na mokofa Peter Pia any communicator. Nya we mu na take decision am I. Look at this nonsense. Why when am go ba se omo? Do they know my village?
Oma hine Kwabena Asante eno bedi ahia
Master no onim ba bia emu bi we free wa onim say ye no ye nko ba se omo to petrol ma parties no
Erica no so
no etoda James am me ye dwane ahanta Jezebel hom no woni mutu ma yes
no
look at how she's behaving ye to abawie Gabon electoral commission is and da ho ye o say soldier for age aban no me say ye to abawie Gabon say muna yi sini bia me see what has happened ma me ni mu obia who is she miss who is she o mu obia okroma say ye mfa kan kofa nipa ye kofa mo Obeto Petra mai on be high can. O ka so position na forms are on.
They are kwesi.
Na for so na for mo.
Na mo connect.